come for the village.
Remember I say the mat's just empty.
Swear.
You feel me?
How do you feel, you know, my blood?
After that guy, you know, I was supposed to laugh yesterday.
I forget totally.
You die, you know. You die.
We go track there today now.
Hey, where you? Come here.
Me? Not be you. Them.
And my papa they talk to.
Mogo. Come on, Momo, come here. Wait. In they call you. You first they size them. Abi? So your brain just not tell you say men laugh as you dey pass.
Come listen, we not see you.
Eh? You don't see me?
Yeah.
Too small now. Nah, we don't small now. You know, how you go see us?
That one day. Small for you, you don't see me. That's here, wait, this place, an empty space. Come on, go down. Come on, come down there. No go.
Go down, you the phone commando, who the follow you, they laugh.
Our mother sent us to
Shut up!
Sent you!
Mother send you, send her. You just wait up from that song.
Wait.
You bread,
So, eh? Raise your hand.
come on, raise hand.
Like.
No get respect for others. Look me finish, say you don't see me. No, the usual. You don't collect now?
Sharp.
Okay. Big boys, I want to see you in the back. Open at the Casablanca. I said, open at the Casablanca.
See face.
Ogu, you are sweater for sun.
Kolo.
How much you go there?
Thank you.
You use this kind of phone by this time.
To manage now.
Doesn't even grandmother phone this.
He's a great provider. He's a great provider. He's a great provider.
Mama,
Good morning. Which of the drums are you fulfilling first?
Mama, the kitchen drums.
Why? Your brother will be coming back soon, and he will need that particular water for his business. And you're determining the one to fill and the one not to fill.
Mama, don't worry. We'll feed the kitchen drum before he comes back.
Who says so? I've told you people time with that number. Your brother comes first in this house, irrespective whose ox is God. Eh?
Okay, Mama, we have heard you. We'll feed the drum.
We're not already there and feel it.
Let's go.
Okay,
Okay,
Mama,
Mama.
stop worrying yourself.
We are coming now. Just to feel water. You people are determining which one you feel first. We're also willing to go and feel that water now.
This is my best friend and the best and whiter in this village.
I see. I need to push it and become one. My best friend is
The prince is in town. Oh, my time myself don't sell it. In that case, we are selling. No, it's not so. It's not so. Yes, sir. It's available.
So please take the power from him.
Look at the way birds are destroying it. Where will I see this boy to come and play up their beds? Look at this one. Look at this one. Hi! His menu. Hey, wait. Where are you going to see this? Good morning. Madam. Mama. You are very lazy. Eh? Lazy girl. When your mates are done fetching water, that is when you will wake up to go and fetch water.
Mama, why are you saying this to me? You know I slept late last night.
You lied. You slept early. And I still wake up early.
Mama, you woke up early for your morning devotion. Have you forgotten?
Morning devotion.
Eh? Mama, you woke up early because you are waiting for your precious son to return from hunting.
This girl will not kill me.
Mama, Zupani
Ike. Hey.
Zupani Ike, baby, ne isi nwaga. Ko
Orugo.
Nothing will happen to him.
I know. Go and fetch water. Zuzurugiga kuteri mumiri.
Fetch water for you. Mama, see, I will fetch plenty water for you today. Trust me.
It's not good for you to be lazy. You are a girl. You will soon marry and go to another man's house.
Mama, but I'm not a lazy girl. Fetching water for you has never been my problem. You know that.
Go.
I can fetch plenty water for you today.
Where will you see that boy that used to come and plug this fruit for me?
Mama, I will see him on my way going to fetch water today.
Okay, please. You have to do. Look at my fruits. Birds are destroying those ones that are ripe already.
No problem, Mama.
Please.
Let me go and get my can.
Gabakwano. Let me go. I can't lazy go around. Gaba.
I remember those good old days when the prince was too shy to attend the cabinet meetings. But now I'm happy. I can see he has grown so confident of himself.
I know you're not far from the truth, right? But I strongly believe that growth has nothing to do with my confidence. Besides, I'm a prince, right? So every prince should have that confidence, isn't it?
No, I totally agree with you. Because I remember I always told him that a son of a tiger should behave like a tiger.
Oh, come on. My son has always been a shy type while growing up. He never behaved like a tiger.
Thank you very much, Igwe, for saying the truth.
I must thank you, Dad, as well. You've made me where I am today. Without you, I can't get to this point, right? And Mom, you've done a lot of job as well. And to you, Ono, I must thank you especially for being a good friend to Dad and you being a confidant. And that's really a great thing to see, for this while, there's not been changes and all that. So I'm really pleased with you.
No, Prince Ochendo, you don't have to thank me. You don't have to thank me. I've only fulfilled my obligations as the traditional Prime Minister, the Onu of this great kingdom. And of course, in honor of my allegiance to your father, the great king, our great king, my best friend. So you don't have to appreciate me in a special way.
All I can say is that I'm now happy that my son is full of confidence. Not as myself only, but he's growing wiser and stronger with his power of influence. That's by the way, no. You told me that you've sent for the best pan wine tapper for the untitled pan wine.
Oh yes.
That you now. Why did Facebook that girl like that now?
Man, I did drip for this girl. Like, I don't know how to tell her.
I don't understand. You drip for the girl and you don't know how to tell her. And be say your morale no starch now. See, if you trip for the babe, if she come, If she pass here again, you stop am, you cap am here in Chester. Nothing dey happen.
The thing say I dey fear her brother. Even if she agree sef, she no go involve her brother for the matter.
Brother, I remember father.
When you talk like that.
Which one be say he dey fear him brother? As waiting. Brother na commando. See, sway you. Use your head pan. If that babe pass here again, stop am. Kappa everything we won't tell am. Nobody will know. Tell me saying brother. You don't believe me again.
You sure?
No one use your head pan. If that babe pass here again, you stop am. Kappa am what you won't tell am. From my blood. No more. They tell me say brother now. I don't understand.
Everywhere good.
I don't understand. What kind of royal contract is that?
The prince is back and he wants to eat something later. So I was contracted to prepare those things for him.
Ha! Are you the only hunter in this village? Why will you be the one they contracted to prepare something fresh for the prince? Is there nobody else they could have contacted to do it?
So I should lose business because we are dating. Don't let jealousy becloud your sense of losing me. This is business now. They will pay me if they bring good money, which both of us need. Please, thanks. You coming here? This is hustling. I'll be right back.
Both of the palm wine, are you not going to supply us?
Okay, Chuku is in the car. We are taking the palm wine he has to the business, okay? You go and tap other trees and bring us later. Come on, let me go.
You just come because you should know the princess.
It is a big... We're doing business now, stop. I'm coming here.
You did not hug me. You need to hug me so that she will know we have something.
You can I go? It's business. I'm not that used to this. Come on.
So now you take the palm wine from him and then follow me to the palace with the
Excuse me, like this. You don't forget my chance. I can even connect the palm wine and follow you. It's my best friend. Can we go together?
Zuma, I don't need those services. Nothing else.
Please, I can collect this one and follow you back. Let's carry him along. It's my best friend. Let him just escort me. So that I won't be bored without you.
I really don't need him. But if you insist, no problem.
I see.
Come along.
Thank you.
Something that we must take precaution.
My king.
Otika, where is the princess?
She is not yet back, my king.
I told you to find her.
My king, but I was spoken with all delay. The princess will still be around. But you need to attend to something very important.
That the king is not supposed to be aware of.
My king, there are 2 boys outside. They say there was rob with their phone and then money, my king.
Now go round and make reports to the police station. Let them go inside the village, come round the village with a vigilante and catch those thieves. Now go!
My king, the 2 thieves are Onomu's sons, my king.
Hey! Tochukwu na Nzube arapụtagokwa m n'afịa o. Hey! My king, please. Lolo. Hey!
But you can go and ask them to leave and come back to the palace tomorrow.
Don't panic, my dear. I just want to have a conversation with you.
Are you blind? Can't you see what I'm carrying?
That's not a problem. I will help you break it down and also help take it back up when we are done talking.
So what will happen to my friends?
That's their problem. They could either wait or go, whichever they want.
They should wait with this?
Let me help you.
You are not serious. Excuse me.
It's like when you move that way. Can you imagine? What audacity?
So your face is like wearing for?
She say she not fit wait or even bring the water down.
Wait. So all this while we stand there at the capacity, nothing come out?
Nothing, no level at all.
Now you allow her merchandise. Sometimes I wonder whether you be my brother because your liver no starch at all.
What do you want, man? To make her force am? She say she not fit bring her down. I beg.
Come sit down there before I go give you rapid now.
Why you dey?
You go carry the water down, then cap her your inner chester.
She say her friends, you not fit wait. I wish not dey try follow and reason you dey attack me.
See, you see this your tolo lifestyle, and this your this thing where you dey reason. You know they use your head pan. Anyways, I don't want to follow you talk. She don't go. Alpha waiting.
Mo dey go there track that guy now.
Go TV.
God, I am really surprised those boys could not even stand you. They must be really afraid of your brother Choma.
Hey. They are not just afraid of her brother. I noticed that stupid boy is in love with her. In love with who?
No.
Please, I am not interested. In fact, I will still go through that road path again.
Hey.
I want to see what he will do to me.
I must follow you to that road path.
Let's go together. Are you serious?
Let's go.
Let's meet here then.
Okay. Now, no problem.
Let's meet here.
Yes. See that is a bit of a boy.
You didn't notice the way he was doing his leg when he was talking to you.
Let's go, Joy. You like us.
That guy is talking like don't mind him.
Choma, don't worry. We'll see you later, yeah?
See you later.
Please bring meat for me if you are coming.
Bye-bye.
You say you don't want to eat. This is the last food in that pot. Papa, you hear when I'm telling her? She said she doesn't want to eat. She said she doesn't want to eat. Me, I will finish it too.
Njide, were you not the one who said you want to eat? You requested for this food. What is the problem?
Papa, I've lost my appetite. I don't want to eat anything again.
Hey.
Me, I know that once she sees Izuna, her appetite will be high. You and I know that she likes food, Papa. By that time, it will be too late, oh, Papa. Let her make her choice now.
Oh, it's all about Izuna, right?
Yes.
I said it now. When I saw that bushmeat, I knew he was here.
Izuna came here this morning with a royal car. It was Princess Emere who came with him. They took him to the palace to prepare bushmeat for the king and Prince Ochendo.
Ochendo is back?
Ha, Papa Ochendo is back now.
That shouldn't be a problem. Eh? Don't worry. He will be paid for it. He will even benefit from that.
Why is no one getting my point? Why is no one else seeing that Princess Emilia is intimidating me? Papa, that girl is trying to take my man away from me with her money and power. And you all are just telling me what I don't understand.
You are the one who feel intimidated. Yes. That is what you choose to see. Let me tell you, you better focus on yourself. Izuna, I know, is the disciplined boy. Once he said he loves you, he will never leave you.
Papa, back to what I'm saying. This is the only meat in that pot. I am saying, me, I know my sister. This thing will cause war. Papa, tell her now. If she will ask me later, let her ask me now. I will finish it though.
Come on, I don't need to call the runner for.
Your brother is not yet back. And you know he doesn't stay this late. From hunting.
Mama, what if he wants to sell his bushmeat before he comes back?
Yes, but you and I know he doesn't do things that way. He will come back first, take his bath before taking them to the market.
Mama, please, stop worrying yourself. He's a grown man. He will definitely come back.
Hey, run inside. Go and bring your phone. Let's call him.
Have you forgotten he doesn't go hunting with his phone?
Oh.
Mama, what is all this? Why are you worrying yourself?
What am I going to do now? Okay. Run to Okechukwu's house and check if he is there.
Yes. I am fetching water with Okechukwu's sisters. Let me empty this one that I just fetched now. Then when I return, I'll ask them if Izuna is in their house. Mama, stop worrying yourself because of your health. There is no money for medicine. Please. Mama,
just go. Go so that you check.
Okay, let me empty this one.
Oh, it's nothing. Which?
He was very angry with me.
Hey, two of you can go. I want to talk to Chairman.
Yeah. And we're not going anywhere without our friend.
Come.
You know you're waiting in talk. They put you tie for ear.
I don't want this to look like an harassment. Go. I want to talk to Chairman.
And what is it already? Is it not harassment?
If I talk and you talk again when your name is not Choma, you will understand the main meaning of harassment. Choma, come, let's talk. I want to
talk about what? What do you want us to talk about? Bianzube, or whatever you are called. There is nothing you will tell me, and this too won't hear it.
Yes.
So whatever thing you want to say to me, say it here or you forget about it.
Wait, you. No go focus. Come, you will do like teacher picking. You see, if them talk anything when them talk here, you no concern you. You just pocket your mouth for inside you.
Don't talk to my sister like that.
Come. Chioma, see. You see this your friends, eh? Make them come out. I can tell you something. Won't tell you something. Leave all these things with the balabala.
Oh, please stop talking to my friends like that. See, I can see you are not serious. You are not even man enough to talk. Chioma, let's go. Just leave this girl.
Let's go.
Come, Chioma, see, eh? I don't know what you see for this girl. See that one too where they like teacher picking where do Jericho. Now you follow the talk like this.
Like that.
See, you get to change this your like. Come, what did they do with this colorful girl?
Don't worry, let them be. We'll teach them.
That girl self no do organic. You go change your color. You go change your
like that one I love.
Show? Which love?
I like.
This is yummy. Oh no. I thought you were my friend. So you've been enjoying something so delicious and natural, all in all, without informing me.
Igwe, how could I ever think of eating all this by myself, eh? Igwe, I've never had it this delicious before. That's the truth. In fact, Izuna here sure knows how to cook better than his father.
Wonderful. Coming from a young guy.
So, young man, whenever you need anything from the royal family, just let me know. If you need the opportunity to pick up whatever you need, just let me know, okay?
So, Dad, just finish it before you ask them.
I think it's better we allow them go home, relax and think about it. Then tomorrow, they will tell us what they think.
Okay, my princess is right. So when they think about what they want in life, they can make decisions best.
Exactly.
In that case, let me dive my...
So, okay, Chukwu, let me ask. What was it that you wanted to ask for?
Look at this guy. I wanted to ask for a car, a house, and some money.
But you are very, very funny. Okay, so if Princess Emilie didn't stop you, you would have asked for all those things.
Why not go ask for it? Why not go ask for with a jolly day job? They make get it more. I Prince say, name anything what you want to. I go do it for you. He said, I close my mouth. What? Why not go talk?
Name anything.
Honorable.
Well,
We are coming to the house.
Coming to which house? Coming to respect yourself. Okay, now back to what you are saying. So you want to carry all your family problem and put on their head?
Thank God you know I have a family problem. Yes. Thank you very much.
Okay, if it comes, if the car comes, what is the plan to maintain it?
You see, God is not a stupid man. You see, the same God that provided this very opportunity will provide more opportunities that will enable me take care of my car and maintain my house.
You see, you are full of problems. Yes, you are full of problems.
Honorable!
Beautiful and go.
Honorable!
Okay, Chukwu.
I'm coming. Hey! Mama, brother is so strong. Yes, now. See the way he's a big man that coach. I thought they have power. See me, brother, also boom, boom, boom. So they can't even fight.
I thought they are strong.
Like they're not strong.
Anyway, that serves them right.
Hey!
Nne, let me start going. My brother is waiting for me.
Okay. Brother, I'm going, though. Let's go.
Mama, what is it?
You got me scared. You came back late.
Am I a baby? Mama, how many times have I told you? Stop worrying yourself this time I don't come home. I'm not missing.
But you don't come back late.
Mama, listen, this is life. Something might happen and take extra time. It's normal.
Then you have to go with your phone.
Mama, if I go with my phone, while targeting the animal, you will still call and distract me and the animal.
Only baby.
Mama, I'm not the only son in this village. Calm down.
You are my only son.
Brother, where are you coming from when you ran into us?
You won't believe it. I was coming from the palace.
Mama Banese.
This morning, I was opportune to eat breakfast with the king, his family, and even the owner.
Are you serious? Are you serious? How did it happen?
Come back with Banese.
Biko.
Mama, today was very, very beautiful. You needed to be in the palace to know what I'm saying. Yeah? Today was beautiful. I pounded yam. I pounded yam while Izu cooked the bushmeat pepper soup. Mama, as we were enjoying, enjoyment. Yeah? Prince Ochendo came to us and said we should mention anything at all we want him to do for us. Mama, I wanted to talk. I wanted to open my mouth. If you know how much I wanted to mention. You know Princess now. Princess Emilia. Ajabalawan. Yeah? He just said, you guys should go home and think about it first.
She did well. Because if you could have opened your mouth and say nonsense, poverty can make one say rubbish. At the end of the day, you regret it. Now, when you go, tell the prince that you want cars, buildings, land, empty land, money, plenty of it. Yes.
Hey! I go why? It's like you entered my mind. You're just speaking through my mind.
Oh, brother, you're laughing. Is that not too much to ask for? Car, houses, this one. Can't you ask for business opportunities?
What is too much to ask? Hey. You ask a big man what he can easily give away. You don't go asking for the things he will think about. Because there may not be another opportunity for you to see him and to ask for those things. The cars, he could have used so many cars. He will give you one of the ones he has used. He may have so many buildings. He may have one building, 2, 3 in a city. He will give you one, the old one. Oh, brother, empty plot. You might have one inside the bush.
What are you not saying?
He'll give you. It's not much.
Ask for a business opportunity, please.
Yes.
Mama.
What other business opportunity is this one? Apart from asking for the things he have mentioned to him, what other business opportunity would he get? You don't ask a big man what he cannot give you. If he sells the building, he will start a business. If he collects the money, he will start a business. If he sells the empty land, he will start a business.
A business?
So what other business opportunity are you asking for? What
do you know?
Mama, if Onaya is right, she's right. As for business, this one is car, money, this one, that one. So it can bring more money. Business will bring in more money.
Mama,
has anybody asked for your hand in marriage and probably given us a monkey? Monkey in a patch. I don't see. Yes, the man that came to marry Funanya brought this monkey.
Mama, each time we want to.
And I made that house. Mama, see the price of your chest.
With
yes.
big girls. Okechukwu's wife. Are you not older than Okechukwu's wife?
Because you want to marry. I'm too small. I want you to make money, so I'll further my age.
You want me to make money?
Another person to go.
From talking for wine. I'll make money and sponsor you.
Are you not my
mother?
Are you not your elder? Come on, get out.
Am I the brother? That's why I'm tall like him.
You're tall?
Yes, you better.
You tall, where is it? You tall and live sense.
Mama said, go inside.
Go inside!
But I don't follow Mama. Don't follow
Are you
Mama.
looking for me? No.
Are you talking?
Are you? No, are you?
Mama, up and down, but you know.
Nene Gavaras.
Agree.
They should get married and leave this house so that we can live in this house together, you and I.
You and I? Mama, don't.
What can I name it? You should marry.
Bobble Abaquaco. Yatu Nobe. Abaco. Yatu Nobe. I'm a mobe keji piaco.
Eh? If I had not been at that palace this morning, the decision had already been reached to call in the police and the vigilantes to come and waste your lives. You are lucky I was there when that report was made.
I don't want booking no go see forget though. I swear, my bad. So if they cap me now and say those boys get they get the moral, I can't report us to you.
Will you shut up?
Buy one, then go collect.
Tochukwu, I said shut up.
They go collect.
Will you shut up, Tochukwu? What's even wrong with you both?
What do you lack in this house? Why do you derive joy in going out there to rob people?
Papa, I lack pocket money. We could talk am for once.
But wait, Papa. Are you forgetting who you are? You are the who.
Number 2 citizen, oh. Number 2.
The whole community. We are your sons. Are they not supposed to be respecting us?
You don't want me?
And you think you can force respect from people, right? Don't you know that respect is earned and not forced? Eh? In any case, I'm only taking this lightly with you because Prince Ochendo has promised to take you both to America. That's why I'm taking it lightly. If not, I would have allowed them to waste you and let me have my peace.
I don't see anything they make me vex for Papa sometimes. This year. Papa, see where these bobo Jews they come from? Which kind of super story? You just won't come, you won't bring person BP up, then raise and down again. Which guy? Papa, see, I don't want to leave my day.
If this is not true, we will bring more royal disgrace to this household. We march down the whole community. We scatter everywhere down, Papa.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Well, it will interest you to know that I'm not lying. If I were lying, you both would be languishing in jail right now. I am serious. Prince Ochendo wants to take you both to America. So I will advise you to put your things together. Return all those things you stole from those people. Gather them. Take them to the palace. Hand them over to the royal household. And then proceed to discuss your travel plans with Prince Ochendo.
And now you don't talk with you won't talk since now. All the thing will be in the wait for you to talk since. You just did the bala bala buru buru. You don't go like this, you don't go like that. Now you don't cap the main thing. If you tell us say you want Moko return the things, but first you go first ask whether I'll collect them. And waiting be the thing will collect. No be that balasa phone. That's balasa phone where even your grandmama no go agree use them.
My grandmama no go agree use them, but you go collect them. Look at you, Papa. Look at your eyes. How many raps have you smoked today? Igbo, marijuana, loud, whatever you call it. How many have you had today? Put those things together. Take them to the palace first thing in the morning and then discuss with Prince Ochendo on how he plans to proceed with your travel arrangements. Foolish children.
But wait, Papa. Did they show you any proof that we actually collected anything from them?
Are you not the village thief? No. Are you not the village thief?
See waiting Papa they call him children.
Oh, shut up.
Wanna just check them.
How we wanted they were. Papa they curse us.
Anyway, you've heard what I said. Plan yourselves well, oh. If not, you will continue as common petty thieves in this village. I'm going for Mayafo. Foolish children.
Papa, we'll go, don't worry, we got you.
Return those things first thing in the morning.
Papa, see, make a copy my inner chest down. See, forget this way they do. Papa will resemble you. Forget this thing. Nobody say they give you no good I don't be like say.
We are your sons.
Anything you will do today, you do small.
Oh.
Okay. You know I love you so much.
I love you more.
Are you sure?
You're the best thing that I've ever had from you. Smile is something else, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know why? I don't have any contract at hand. If only he allowed us to get married, we would have been married by now.
But have you told him you want to marry me?
Yes, of course. Many times. Yes. Well, he made it clear to me that our friendship will never pass this level.
Then ask your mother to come and tell my mother. Simple.
Or ask me to seduce your brother, so it will be the same. So it is true. It is true that you both are secretly having an affair in this village, huh? Choma, you're wicked.
Nkemderin, please. Just calm down. I can explain this.
Explain what? You're extremely wicked, Choma.
I am not wicked. I am your friend.
Which
friend?
Can you stop this? Will you shut up? Which friend? Brother, please. Stay out of this. Or else I'm going to tell Izuna what I just saw here.
You do what?
You heard me right, Choma. Choma, the only way I'm going to forgive you is that you're going to tell your brother that I love him.
What's that nonsense supposed to mean?
Obin, just please, calm down. She has always wanted to date my brother. But I kept telling her, it will not work. Because my brother is already with Njideka.
Even if your brother is not with Njideka, can you face Princess Emilia? Can you? Even if you can, do you think I will allow it?
Thank you. Thank you, brother. Now you're going to join Chioma and tell Izuna that I love him. Or else I'm going to expose this. You know me or you know me, Chioma.
No, try it! If I don't kill you in this village, try it! I'm going to go. I'm going to go. Utobo. Don't listen to her.
What are we going to do about this?
About what? I'm in love with you. It's you I want to marry. I will spend the rest of my life with, and there's nothing anyone will do about it. Alright? Abu
What about my brother?
Your brother. Your brother is my friend. Don't worry, I know. But with God, all things are possible. Yeah? Mama? This one you're like this, what are you thinking?
Oh,
I'm blessed. I hope all is well.
I'm thinking of...
Thinking about what?
I'm thinking that... I'm thinking on what you're going to demand from the Igwe. What your demand will be.
I told you the princess will take care of that.
My son, it's not right for the princess to take care of it. No. It's better you do that by yourself because princess might ask for what will take you far away from us.
How? Why? What are your reasons?
You should do that by yourself because if you do, she will ask for what will favor us.
Okay, well, the problem is that you worry too much about me. I'm not the only son around here. My best friend is an only son. But you act as if I'm disappearing. Mama, everything will be fine, okay? Let me go for hunting now. Go to Wegweng. When I return, we shall continue about this.
Don't worry. I suffered so much before I gave birth to you. My son, you won't understand. You won't understand what I went through. Yes.
Mama, don't worry. Listen, as day breaks, things will be unfolding and fixing itself. Don't worry, let me go hunting. When I return, we shall continue. Huh? What will No. Yeah? What are you doing here?
I miss you. Oh, Princess Melissa should come and bring you to the palace.
I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all.
I guess Prince Ochendo wants to see this area.
Ha! Prince, everything that will make me leave my hunting to go and answer the prince. Is he worth it?
I came with the car, there's no problem.
Okay, now Mama, we are coming here. Let me go to the palace and honor their call before going hunting.
My son, I hope all is well.
There is no problem, Mama.
Mama, you worry too much. The palace now, not the police station.
Okay.
We are coming. Okay, let's go. But meanwhile, on our way, I will call my best friend. Can I come out of her? You carry me.
What nonsense is this? What nonsense is this? I made all these plans just for you. To change your life from a village hunter to American base.
Are you saying my life is useless?
Izuna, that is not what I'm saying. Can't you look out there? See what your mates are achieving out there. Do you want to remain a hunter all your life? Is that what you want? Why do you want to throw this big chance away just like that?
I don't care about what my mates are doing out there. Because some of my mates are dead too. Life is not like that. Trust me, it will end in praise. I know what I'm doing.
Do you trust him?
Yes, he's my best friend. I trust him.
You trust him?
You heard when the prince said that in 1 year time, he will be so rich and he will come back and take me along.
See, Isuna, I don't like what you are saying. I don't like it one bit. I don't. All these plans I made just for you, not for your friend. It's not for your friend, it's for you.
Now, Princess, I appreciate the fact that you're putting in effort just to make sure I become useful and big in life. But sometimes carry me along. Ask me, what do you want? Will you go through this direction or through this way? Please. Obodo is not my thing for now.
Isu, all I want is for your own good. I just want it to be better. That's all. You know what? Just go home. Think about it, like my brother said. Maybe by tomorrow you can come up with a better answer.
I am not a baby, my princess. Let my friend go. Trust me, he will not disappoint me. Hey! We grew up together. It's like my brother.
You have to trust people like that. Why not just take the chance?
He's not people, he's my best friend. I swear he wouldn't betray me. Okay, no, he's coming for me.
Please, think about it. I'm begging you again. Think. Please. Just give it another thought, okay?
Excuse me.
I welcome you again to the palace. Without knowing that my daughter had come in demand that these two young men who cooked this delicious meal for us be rewarded. My son came in the night, troubled. I told him that I will fix this. The reason we have gathered here, Ochendo.
Father.
Talk to your people.
Good morning, everyone. I'm just going to try to be as meticulous as possible, so I'm just going to go straight to the point. I know I'll be taking one of your sons, who's going to be your first son, and Izuna here. So I'm going to get them a job that they can afford to take, what's it called, Okechukwu, and your second son, respectfully. So what I mean in that case is that your first son is going to be able to take Nzube, and Izuna could actually take Okechukwu alongside. In that case, I think I've fulfilled my promise. So at least let's see if that works.
My prince, that is very much okay. My king, my great friend, I appreciate this. You see, today is indeed a very, very happy day for my family.
Too happy?
Yes, if one of my sons is in America, my family is already there. So no problem at all. Thank you very much. My prince, my princess.
As well as Facebook me.
Thank you very much for the opportunity to be
Royal Majesties. I greet you all. In fact, I'm short of words. I don't even know where to start from. Thank you very much, my prince. I'm so excited. America. But on a second thought, let my friend Okechukwu go first. Hey, while I wait.
Izuna, please do not do this. Don't. I beg you in the name of God. Don't give up your place for someone else. Don't do it.
Well, he's my best friend.
It's a number now. Look, I don't think what you're doing is right. Go before me. Alright? Go before me, then come back for me.
Izuna, you have to go first. Yes.
Young man, why do you want to allow your friend travel before you?
Thank you, Your Majesty. He speaks well more than I do. He's more educated more than I do. He fits in more into that traveling. Me, I wouldn't say I'm comfortable here, but I can't just move now. Let him go first. I believe that once he's comfortable, or better still, when he makes it, he will come for me.
Isuna, what are you talking about?
Oh my best.
It doesn't matter. We have to go. I beg you.
Look, Isuna, I trust you. I trust you so much. Go there and make me proud.
They go change mind though. You know I agree this to know.
Isuna, I beg you. Think about this. We have to. Please.
He will come for me. Let him go first.
Yes, gracious.
Once he travels, it's as good as I'm the one traveling.
It's not the same thing. It's not you. You are not him. You have to go first. Come on.
Oh. Okay. Haven't heard what you guys have said here. I know you had a plan of taking you guys to immigration office. However, I think that plan is going to change. Isuna, I think you should have a time to reflect on what you said here now at the moment. Then you can actually make an informed decision before you rush into decisions like this.
Am I a baby? Not head to think about it. Let him go first. He will come back for me. I know him now.
Please just think about it. At least till tomorrow.
I understand you're trying to be selfless. I understand that. But we're not in a hurry. You can't have a think. Come back tomorrow and give me a feedback.
Thank you very much, my prince. But if you wake me up tomorrow morning or midnight, I will say the same thing.
Yeah, but at least think of it.
Hey.
It's alright. That is enough for now. God, bring us something. Let them take something before they go back.
Be good.
Hey!
Mama.
Ogenekwa!
You're here dancing. But Achuku told you what happened. Instead of you to tell him to decline the offer, you're here dancing.
My neighbor are not here. You don't have one sense in your head. Was it the one that rejected the offer? No! It was Izuna that said, take the offer, my friend. I am not going anywhere. It was Izuna that declined the offer. I said, you have been my friend all this while. Okay, Chuku, travel on my steed. So what do you want your brother to do? To reject it? Not to reject it?
Mama, if brother is a good friend to Izuna, he should at least reject the offer and encourage him to travel first, then come back for him.
Yes. As you again. Ibo monkey. You know, I'm beginning to look at these children. And when you say woman, if I'm the one that gave birth to these children, because they're no way like me. They don't look like me in any way. Who rejects a good offer? Once you see sugar in your mouth, you will not even say, my friend, come and taste. You will just be licking it until the sugar finishes in your mouth.
It's not nice.
Izuna was the one that said, I don't want to go. Okay, Chukwu, go. Come to think of it. What would Izuna go to be able to do? He cannot speak the white man English. Like the way my son will twist his mouth and do it. What? He will not even understand what I do.
Mama, please, don't insult my friend. I only came here for you to advise me. Let me know the next step to take.
And I have told you what to do.
You don't have to insult
my friend. I've already told you. God gave you this opportunity, so utilize it. Use it.
Mama, this is not nice. Izuna is like a son to you.
But it's not my son. Like and son is not the same.
And he has helped brother in so many ways. So allow him travel.
Am I the one stopping Izuna from traveling?
Ma, you're the one.
You
are the one.
Do not listen to them. They don't have anything to say. You know, poverty has a way of coming somebody's brain. Go there, travel, go make money for your mother. I am solidly behind you.
Brother, don't go. Me, I've said my own.
I've said
my own.
Shut up. Let me hear from one side.
But I left in the house. Brother, so this is the type of talk you
My son, you shouldn't have rejected the offer. You should have taken it.
Why? You are the one that told me that I shouldn't take any decision or accept anything or offer that will take me far away from you. Now you are blaming me for accepting for Okechukwu, my friend, to travel first. Which one should I follow?
I didn't know overseas will be involved. I urge you to make use of this opportunity and travel.
Mama, I have passion for this hunting. Let my friend Okechukwu, he's my best friend, let him travel abroad first. Once he is well established there, he will come for me. Because I gave him my slot. It's like giving him my own opportunity to travel. So he will not forget me. Why are you insisting I should go first? Are you afraid he will betray us?
What are your reasons? Tell me. I want you to explain to me.
Mama?
Why did you do it?
Listen, we must not jump out because we're here abroad. We must come down and check whether it is in line with our destiny or not. Not everybody will go abroad to make them now. Some go die. So calm down, let me be sure. But for now, let Okechukwu go. Once he's well established and come for me, I will feel more comfortable going because I now have somebody there that can say, welcome, sit here, go here, don't go here.
Human beings are so unpredictable.
True.
How do you think that Okechukwu will remember you when he make it there?
Ha! After giving him my slot to travel, he forgets me. I don't need to get angry. Nature will come and will kill him now.
Do you know what? Like Prince said, think about it. I want you to think about it, please, my son.
Okay, Mama, I'll think about it. Can I go and eat now? You don't go now, Mama.
Well, my sons, you see how things have turned out to be. Anyway, I believe something good will come out of this. Tochukwu, sir, it's now up to you to change the fortunes of this family. Yes, it's time for you to change your life and that of your brother. Forget about me, I'll be fine. But you need to know that opportunities like this do not come all the time. Neither do they last forever. So my son, please make good use of this opportunity. It's a golden one. Nzube. Nzube. How many times have I called you?
3 times.
This is now the time for you to find yourself something doing. I mean, something, no matter how small, so that you will do well for yourself and keep yourself busy until your brother returns for you. Do you understand me? No one.
Papa, you don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. I believe say on IB, Oluwa don't pick my call. I see the Facebook me like this now. I know my level. I know where my level day now. So leaving Zube matter may no give you problem. Even Zube no using headband. If you do any if you momo, just call me for phone. I go lap as I lap back. I go treat him for cup. I go drill and meme, lock him inside ass. You don't believe me? Zube use your kafa. I don't want my papa start to
Tochukwu, shut up. Shut up, Ezigbo Mmadụ. You are now forming Ezigbo Mmadụ, eh? You are now good man because you are going to America. Eh? Yes, all the bad things Zube is doing in this village, were you not the one who taught him? Were you not the one who taught him? Oh! Now you want to form good police officer on your father.
Papa, you should know that America no be America. Now, so person wey dey go that kind, you know where I wan lap? Papa, calm down. As I enter, they go feed my order. But I know they feed the order now. When I go dey send you things and things.
My sons are going to America. Nzube, can buy me hot water. I want to bath.
Oh yeah, you put water for me too. I want bath. You don't want to go to America, Bubu. Come on board, for me.
Why did you turn back? I did not ask you to turn down the offer of traveling outside the country. Izuna, what are you saying? We are talking of America here. Obodo Igbo. Ha! See, I, Njideka, I want my husband to be traveling outside the country, coming home. I don't want us to remain here in this country. That is not what I want. I don't know who told you that is what I want. It is not what I want. Listen, my only happiness is that they asked you to go home and think about it, then come back tomorrow to give them your feedback. If you go back there tomorrow, tell them that you have accepted that you will travel. You better not come back if you tell them otherwise. I'm not even joking. Why are you talking like this? I trust you. I know you love me so much and you will never cheat on me. So don't even let that one bother you. I can handle it.
Darling, I don't know, but I didn't ask for it. He gave it to me, wholeheartedly.
But is it right to accept it?
Yes, of course. If you didn't want to go, why not? I will take it. Right? You and I know that Izuna is my best friend, my closest friend. So if I'm rich today, Izuna is rich too.
Okay. I know. I am just skeptical that the moment you travel outside the country, you will forget everything about me. In fact, about us, and marry a white woman.
How can you say that? No. I won't try such. I love you so much.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course. I just don't ask him this question.
Then marry me before you leave.
Huh?
Yes. Pay my bride price before you leave.
But you know now. You know Izuna will never accept this. Because you know Izuna and I, we've been roaming about this village in poverty. The moment I mention it to him, Izuna might even take away this wonderful opportunity from me.
What do you mean? Are you trying to tell me that you will not marry me?
No, darling. I will marry you. But first of all, I need to go to abroad. Make money. Alright? If I come back and tell Izuna that I want to marry, Izuna will accept it with his full chest. I want to make money for the both of us.
Okay.
My love.
Listen, it's not as if I am not happy for this great opportunity given to you. I am so happy. But I am just scared of losing you.
You're not losing me. I'll always come back for you.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course. I
promise me.
I promise. I love you. Thank you so much. Please don't think about that.
Yes, it's just that he's still sleeping. He slept late last night. Should I wake him up?
Hey! Who am I seeing?
Mama.
My princess.
Mama.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, Mama. Good morning.
Good morning, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Ron, go and call your brother.
She said I should leave him. Let's I'll wait for him.
Yes. Hell, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit down. Okay. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Hi. You're welcome. Let me keep you busy.
Thank you.
How are you doing? How is the palace?
How
is the king, our king?
Our king is fine.
When you get to the palace today, do not allow Izuna to take away this opportunity from you.
But Mama, it still is Una's decision to make. If Izuna decides to go there first before me, I will allow it. There's nothing I can do about it.
There is something you can do. And there is something you can do. Tell the Igwe he cannot make a promise and take it back. They have already promised you and they can never take it back. Whatever Igwe says, since I have mentioned your name, it's a must travel for you. Put your foot down and tell them it's a must travel for you.
Mama, I can't force it. I can't force it. Yeah? But if Izuna allows me to go, then I will go. There's no way I'm going to force it.
Insist. You must insist. Eh? The kingdom of God is offered violence. The violent take it by force.
Obana, Bible,
what we talk now is money. Take opportunity by force. Eh? If they say anything, tell them that you must travel. Tell them they have made this promise. Arizona has given his word. You cannot go back on his word. You must travel.
Mama, Izuna is my friend.
Do not let this opportunity pass you by. It's a golden opportunity. Opportunity comes but once. Once it comes, grab it with your 2 hands. And you make it.
Izuna is my friend, Mama.
And my friend may go. Make it first and look for friend later. Why are you behaving like this? Are you whining your friend? Why you name a friend? Working in a business. Money first. Yes! Don't let it go. Stop it.
Hi!
Mama,
my princess.
So funny.
Oh,
don't mind my mother. She's always like that.
Oh my goodness. I want to tell you. But that is the truth. Eh?
Mama.
Eh? My dear,
I'm filled up with joy.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Izuna.
Don't you know you're a princess? It is not.
That is the wrong way of welcoming your visitor. Huh? Obarobia.
No joke, I did.
You did not even greet me.
Mama, good morning, ma. It's about me at the greeting, never tired.
Brother, good morning.
Good morning, my son. Princess Mary has kept us laughing and enjoying her company.
No, Mama. You have been the one telling me jokes about you. Yes. Don't mind her.
Hey!
Well, before you even continue with romance of words, I'm ready for the palace meeting. You hear my father's decision. Yes, right. You hear that there. You hear it there.
My son, I wish you the best.
No. I am sure you have searched your heart properly.
And you have come to the final conclusion concerning this journey. But if you still need some time to think, my son can grant you that.
Your Highness, I stand on what I said earlier. Yes, let my friend...
Wait, I'm sorry to cut you short. Igwe, please, I have something to say. Igwe, first of all, I don't deserve to be here. Not to talk of traveling in place of my friend. He is my friend. Look, Izuna, please go. Go there, then come back for me.
I could change mind. I will give him another person. When she might never be in.
Why are you doing this?
Your Highness, my mind is made. I stand on what I said earlier.
Alright, it's okay. I can see you've actually made up your mind. If this is your final decision, that's okay. I can't do much about it. Anyways, what's it called? Okay, you need to get yourself prepared so we can get to the immigration office this afternoon. Perhaps in an hour time or so.
Well, I guess this is over now. It's over. It's over.
Done your best for this young man, but you can see he's not ready to move on in life. He's not ready to help himself. Huh? You want to kill yourself because of this young man? I don't understand. Moreover, I don't even know what you see in this local village champion.
Mom,
huh?
Please. Enough. Enough. I know. I know you don't like him. I know he doesn't live up to your expectation. But he is not a village champion. He's not. He's a good man. He's a good man with a heart of gold. An honest man. There are not many out there. Mother. They are not.
My dear, I understand. I agree with you. But you can't keep wasting your tears over a village hunter. You just can't keep doing that. Crying over a young man you're not even sure has a future with you. Crying over a young man who doesn't have respect for your feelings as a woman. My dear, you're not supposed to be doing this. Huh? For a village local boy.
Mother, please, I beg you, let me be. I have no strength left in me. I beg you, just go.
Really? I would go. But please don't kill yourself over a man. Do you hear me? You're the only daughter I have. Don't kill yourself because of a village boy. Because of a hunter.
God is faithful.
Let me go and tell your father you want to commit suicide because of him.
He only created us to love one another. Humanity is the best. Love is the best.
Thank God. I really thank God for Zuna. For allowing Okochukwu to go. Hey, if I say that book, I will lay down.
Kneeling down for him is an understatement.
I honestly speaking, I didn't see this coming. I was thinking as a hunter he is, maybe handling gun, he will not have this feeling, he will not have this good heart that the gun would have hardened him. That was the opposite. He said, my friend, go! We make you come and take me. And I know okay, come and take it.
Mama?
Brother?
Yes, he's already on his way.
Did you enjoy this?
Of course.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, of course. I want to sing. Yes, you want to.
Mama, I want to.
Mama, go and wash the plate. I used to.
Let me see you.
Follow me to work. Go and wash the plate.
I want to see
We're going to wash plates now.
Go somewhere. You want to follow me?
Your God, He will come for you. Don't give up in showing love, oh, no good. Cause everything you do, later will come back for you.
What kind of thing is this? I can't believe that Izuna will have the mind to reject such mouth-watering offer again. Does he want us to remain in abject poverty? Okay, no. I think Izuna wants me to be coming to my father's house to be begging food when he marries me because I don't understand what is going on. I want a Ramonka.
Well, the way me I see it, you will be the one living in abject poverty, not me.
You are very stupid. You are mad. If I use this anchor to descend on you, you see that mouth of yours, you will not use it in 2 weeks. Empty brain.
Njideka, can you just keep quiet and shut up? Why not the one who fights Izuna because of Princess Emily? The young man acted as expected because he doesn't want to be indebted to Princess Emily. Huh? All he needs to do now is to love and cherish him. Support his decisions and plan.
Papa, what are you saying? What are you even saying? That offer did not come from Princess Emilia. It came from Prince Ochendo. And the sweetest part of it is that he will not be in this country if he had accepted that offer. He will be in far away America where Princess Emilia will not even see him.
See, America. What happens if Izuna finds himself in America? Princess Emilia will find him there and wed him. Oh.
Jideka, why did you not think of this? Why did you not think? And I've been angry with my baby over the decision he made. Meanwhile, that decision was for my own good.
You see what I keep telling you? Don't always jump into conclusions without finding out the truth. You see?
Mano, Lord, make us proud. You know what I can do. Wait for me. I will be back.
My cookies, though.
No worries.
Mercy, you begin to do.
You go ahead, let's go. But I laugh first. Okay.
At least take care of it.
Thank you very much. Sir.
Okay. I hope your bags and everything is
yeah, we're cool. Everything. Alright, let's go.
It's still early. Even if she's awake, my mom won't allow her to do this.
Fine, I came to see you.
You came to see me. From you came to see Giovanna, you came to see me. Okay, what is it?
You know I love you. And I don't care if you love me or not, Izuna. Just take me as I am.
There is time for everything. But you look like our love. Besides, I'm your brother's best friend. I cannot date you. Respect that fact. Please. This is early morning. Let me go. Bye, Izuna.
God is faithful, God is never a man. He only created us to love one another. Humanity is the best, love is the best. You have a good heart, keep it high. There is always a blessing in doing good. You will see favor, you will see no shame at all. You have a good heart, you have a love.
He's so worried. About what is happening to him. You know, for some months now, he hasn't hunted down any animal. I told him to calm down, that he will get a very big one soon.
It's better he calm down. Yes. He is the best hunter. Very soon, he will regain his position as the best hunter in this whole community. Eh? Patience matters a lot. Let him calm down.
Mama, you know this is really affecting us. You know that. We have not eaten good food for the past few months now. Only yam and oil.
And we will stick to that yam and oil.
Mama.
You see that yam and oil? We will stick to it. Do you want me to go and steal? Or Mujeru Roshi?
Mama.
Hey! My daughter-in-law. Hey, sit down, sit down. Izunna, come on, your wife is here to change your diet. No more yam and oil today. God has just sent you. Hey. Oh. Bless you. God bless you. Izu!
Thank you so much, our wife. Mama, both of you will eat this one. Let me go to my friend's house to eat.
To eat what?
To eat food there.
No. Izuna, we eat this one. Both of us. Giwa, Namua, we eat yam and oil.
Yam and oil again.
Oh, Ivob.
Mama, I'm not eating it all. I want to go to my friend's house.
You change your diet. Okay, because this food I bought will be enough for you.
Really?
Shema has already built herself. She's a big girl. She can take care of herself.
Thank you.
Go to your friend's house.
Okay, Mama. I'm going.
Go where?
Mama, let her go.
Come back here!
Mama,
Master Queen!
Let her go.
Come back!
Mama, come in.
Let her go. Yeah, stay inside. It's okay. You said he's inside?
Yes.
Why is he alone? Go and check. Obi! I love.
He's inside, oh.
Excuse me. I'm sorry if it seems I'm bothering you. I just want you to know that I'm not the same person I used to be. I want to ask for your forgiveness. If any way I've wronged you, I'm sorry.
Okay. I have heard you. Can I go now?
No. I also want to let you know that I love you very much. And I want you to be mine.
Izube, I am in a serious relationship right now. It would never have worked out between us. I am sorry. Can I go now?
No problem.
Mama, this is sweet. It's very sweet.
Enjoy it.
It's very sweet.
When I'm making progress, talking about money, making money, support me.
Okay.
So that you'll be enjoying things like this.
It's very sweet. Best chef.
Best chef.
Mama can cook.
My legs are long, oh. Whose birthday is this?
I don't understand. Must still be a birthday before we will enjoy ice fish. This is ice fish, it's not chicken.
Shama, no, Mama. This is not what I meant. I mean to say you guys are enjoying.
Shama, let me go and bring some food to eat.
If you're going to bring that food for her, make sure you don't put meat, else you will starve.
Why? Mama.
Mama what? Mama what? You ask, are you not eating meat?
Mama, this is Choma.
Uburago.
This is Choma, Izuna's sister. Who has been giving us meat for years now in this house.
That was then. Was he still giving? Since your brother traveled, has he brought anyone? To show that all this while he was showing love was fake.
Mama.
Papa.
Mama, you want to understand though. We have been suffering. Yes.
People have been suffering?
Yes.
Why?
My brother has never been able to hunt down any animal for the past 6 months.
Oh my God.
We have not been eating well since. You want to understand this?
Have you seen it? Meaning all this while he has been hunting down animal. He's been using my son's star. Now that my son has traveled, no hunting down again. Yet he's been called best hunter in the kingdom. Best hunter in 6 months has not hunted down anything.
Mama.
I got them before property.
What are you saying now? What are you saying? Mama, please. I want to ask you one thing. Did I or any member of my family did anything wrong to you?
Yeah, you. Especially you.
Me.
When it should have been in your house now. having a nap. It's afternoon. People are eating only here.
Mama.
Mama,
what is it now?
You came to monitor if my son has started sending money or not.
What are you saying?
Well, he sent money. It's for the money he gave me.
Mama.
You know, come now, Jack.
Oh, Mama, what is it?
What are you saying?
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, you're still here.
Sorry.
It's okay, you're still standing here.
Let me stand
It's okay, you should be No, stay here.
Mama, don't worry.
Come and stay.
Mama, I don't like this thing.
Mama,
This thing you're doing is not fair.
Leave me now.
Mama, I said I don't like this thing you are doing. Mama,
No,
wait, Mama, wait.
No.
Mama.
People are going to starve.
No. Mama.
Once you start judging me, you starve.
No, Mama, it's not like that. Like that. You should not. Remember. Let's see. Stop holding my phone.
Papa. This one you are smiling and laughing. Did you win the lottery?
This one is more than lottery.
Are you serious?
Yes, I have very good news. Hey, do you know that your brother has just sent back the documents with which you will process your travel to Obodo Oyibo, America? That is it.
Papa is a lie.
Look at it.
Papa is a... Let me see.
What?
Papa, let me see.
Wait.
Let me see.
Go and dress well. Let us go and see Guakokaria to
Papa,
share.
let me see first.
No.
Because... Look at my name.
Can't you see your picture?
I'm going.
Give me. Go and dress up, eh? Let's go and share the good news with Igwe Akokaria. Eh?
Papa, no. I don't want to go. I have somewhere I want to share my good news with.
Nzube. Be careful who you share your good news with. Because not everyone who smiles with you is your friend. People are not exactly what they appear to be. Eh?
Papa, no problem. I'm not a child. I can take care of myself.
That's true. You're not a child. After all, you'll be going to Obodo Oyibo.
Yes.
Let me go and see Igwe Akokaria.
Okay, Papa.
See, Nzube.
Sir?
See this document?
Yes, sir.
Keep it very well for me. Don't take it to go and share your good news. Oh.
No problem, Papa.
Keep it safe for me. Eh?
I got you.
Let me go and share the good news with my good friend.
I got you, Papa. Go and come back. I'm going. Look at my name and picture. Hey!
This one you're shaking your head like this. What is it? What happened?
Mama.
Hmm?
Hey.
Hey. Choma, stop shouting. Tell me what happened.
Mama, this world is filled with wicked people. Betrayers.
I'm all ears. I'm still listening.
Hey.
So, what is it?
Mama, you won't understand. You won't understand.
Eh? An old woman like me will not understand what you little girl saw or experienced. Okay, tell me, what is it? I will understand. I will do.
Mama, I couldn't even believe what I saw with my two eyes. Today,
I couldn't even believe it.
Okay. Talk now.
Now, hurry up now. Come and settle this.
I'm coming, oh, Papa.
Hold on, please. Let me see the other customers. Oh.
You went to be expecting this. You're shocking. You're 6 months of brother's travel.
Coming back to my talk, when I told you America, if you see America, is the land of opportunity. So you were doing me.
America is the land of opportunity. Why haven't you made it? Abi American money the wrong farmer.
Okechukwu one that I used to spend 500 naira on this before. It's not the one that is going places buying big frozen chicken. Have you seen the lab?
So because of 500 naira chicken, does that mean that Okechukwu have made it?
You're not current. You're not. See, that's why I know they like to talk to you. You're not current. Go to the market and see the way she's spending money. She's wearing big fine clothes.
Why would you know they send us?
Now when I give them the money, now when I make money for them, that will not concern me. I mean, I don't talk to woman.
Oh, you don't reach time for chicken now. You collect your own. I maybe no fit talk.
Not 500 naira chicken. 500 naira chicken is the past tense. That she buys food.
Ibe akụkarịa. Hey, nwoke ọma, akwụkwọ obodo okwu ji eme ọnụ. Odu ndị agha anyị aga ije. Hey, lọlọ, ọmarịcha lọlọ. Osodi eme, amama asa ahụ, amama amụrị mmụrị. Obi bụ aṅụrị. Obi na-eme pọlị. Ibe akụkarịa. Pam. Hey, pam, ibe. Hey, thank you very much, my good friend. Thank you!
No, you're so happy today.
Yes.
If your wife were to be alive, I would have asked if she just gave birth to a set of twins. What's with the happiness, please?
Lolo, if my wife were still to be alive and I was on top of her, Lolo, I will still exude this happiness, multiple and bountiful. Lolo, the kind of happiness in me now cannot be overestimated nor underestimated.
Well, no, please clear the air. Don't keep us hanging.
Igwe, hey, do you know that my son, Tochukwu, the one Prince Ochendo took to America, the former bad boy of our community, Igwe, has just sent across documents for his brother Nzube to process and travel to America, Obodo Oyibo.
This is great news.
This is great news and it calls for celebration.
Oh, yes.
Please, we need drink. Guards! Please get drinks from the bar. We have to celebrate this.
Oh my God. I agree with you. Oh no, I am so glad that your son has decided to give you people a facelift. You know, this is a great news indeed. And of course, my wife has already set the floor.
Excuse me, everybody.
It's all right. You see, that's why I talk about people prospects, you know. When the youth is going out, make out some certain opportunities being deposited in the community.
Okay, now. Yes, I want you to build a house. In fact, let us start constructing a house immediately in this village. A mansion, a befitting mansion. Yes, so that everybody in this village, every Dick, Tom and Harry, will know you are the son of a tigress. And that is me. I am the tigress.
Mama, let me
okay,
talk to brother.
Oh my God. You see? Sorry. Before we continue, your sisters, they want to talk to you. You know, for some time now, they've not been able to hear from you, and I refuse to give them your number. Yes. Okay, talk to them. Hold on for them.
Hello, brother. Brother, good afternoon. Oh, it's morning. Hey, Obodo Ibo. Hey, brother, I want to ask you something now. Brother, why is it that you and Mama not treating Brother Izuna nice? Brother, that's what the promise you and Mama made to him before you travel out of the country. Oh. Hello?
Give me that phone. Give it to me. Give me that phone now. I'm not being here. Hello, now. Hello? Hello? Have you seen what you have caused? Have you seen what you have caused? Have you seen it? The happy conversation I was having with my son, you have ruined with sadist. Ekwensu. Oh, nah. Hey, nah. I know you are angry. Okay, you are angry. No problem. You call back. No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you for calling back. At least to pacify me. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. You see? He has respect. Look at the way he called back to appease his mother. I know you post problem. It's the overfeeding. You know, you eat 4 5 square meal. You eat first meal, you eat in between, you eat breakfast, you eat lunch, you eat dinner. No, I cut it down. Mama. From now going forward, you eat 0, 0, 0, 0, 1.
Ah, Mama, now. Mama, what you are
so
doing?
So that people have sense.
Mama.
No, come now, Jack, I will slap your face.
Mama, what you are doing is not good. This bro, this one do a bad thing to your bro, okay, Chuku. Mama, me I always tell the truth though. What you do is not nice. Food, in my house. Yes, I always tell the truth, Mama. What you do is not nice. So Mama,
you're telling me the truth.
Mama, my food though.
In my house. You're telling me in my house. You're telling me. No, come and stand. Let's judge case, you idiot. Ndala. Do I blame you people? Come and beat the syllabus now. Stupid.
What is it? I just got on the phone with Ochendo.
So?
He said Okechukwu is fine. That he's earning as much as Tochukwu is earning in his company.
Mom! Don't mom me! What is the mom for? Your village crush was the one who threw away the very beautiful opportunity given to him. Yes! My son gave him the opportunity to become a better man. But no! He wants to be a hunter here in the village. So whatever comes out of it, he should be able to bear it.
But, Mom, there was an agreement.
Really?
Yes.
A written agreement or was an oath taken? My dear, your brother gave him the opportunity to become a better person, to make a better use of his life. But no! He decided to remain in this village and be a hunter. He gave him another opportunity to go and think about his decisions. But he still decided to remain here. So whatever Okechukwu does to him right now, he should bear it. He should take it as his fate. Yes.
Mom, you should call Ochendo. Tell him to remind Okechukwu about his promises.
My darling, with or without Izunna and Onowu's sons, my son would have still left the country with 2 young men from the community. So my dear, I advise you to move on with your life. Stop all this. Stop all this. Stop shedding tears for a local village boy. And need I remind you that you wouldn't get married to a hunter. Yes, my only daughter would not get married to a hunter. So stop turning down suitors and focus on your life. Have I made myself clear? You're crying over someone that doesn't even know you're crying. He's not even aware you're crying here. He's not even aware you're pacing around the room up and down because of a village champion that doesn't want to make use of his life. That so you will not marry a hunter.
Hey! You need to see what happened. Uzube will just buying things here. Yes, spending money, spraying money. In fact, today we sold what we never sold for a very long time. Uzube is money. Uzube is go. Hey! I said, Uzube, is this you? Uzube will just cash.
This is the one I know.
Uzube that you know now.
Where did he get money from? Did they win a lottery?
No, far from that. See, what I heard was his brother in Nollywood sent him some. In fact, as I'm talking to you now, they are processing his visa. Uzube is giving this country. Uzube was here celebrating. And Bishop Uzube is seriously in money. Well, see,
are you serious about what you just said?
See, if I am telling you something, you should always believe me. I told you, go and check our boss. There's a lot of money now. Uzube spent a lot. Uzube must see. Hey, Bia!
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. I've told you to stop coming to my house. So what are you doing here?
It's because I have invited you severally and you wouldn't come to my house. You have turned down all my invites. So I don't have any other option than to come to look for you. If Mohammed does not go to the mountain, mountain will come looking for Mohammed.
My mountain does not have anything to do with your Mohammed. So what will I be coming to do in your house? You are not my friend. Your daughters are not my friend. I did not plant any crop in your compound. So what will I be coming to do?
You have business in my house. And the business you have in my house is beyond you, my child. I am giving you an opportunity. A golden opportunity to get married to an American citizen. Once you marry a citizen, you're already a citizen.
You know, I've not really told Izuna about all these things you've been up to. You know why? Because you know the kind of person Izuna is. I don't want this to be an escalated issue. So please, respect yourself and stop coming to my house with your impossible illusions. Please.
And if you tell the Izuna, what will he do? Do I look like a bushmeat? Ene komwada, nchi. Eh? Kopokopine. Which one do I look like? So he won't basically not do anything. Because I am not a bushmeat. He will hunt down.
I'm still confused. I'm trying to understand why you are doing all this. Why do you want me to leave Izuna because of Okechukwu, your son? Knowing fully well that these two are best of friends. And that your son is owing my man Izuna an American visa. You want me to betray him and go for your son?
Now wait a minute. Did you just say American visa? If Okechukwu should give Izuna an American visa, what use would it be? Of what use would it be to Izuna? Okay, if Izuna should get to America, what will he be doing there? There are no bushes, there are no wild in America. America is a civilized country, waiting for civilized people. And Izuna knows this. That was why he turned down the American offer and begged Okechukwu to go in his stead.
Enough. I've had enough. I've taken enough of your insults because as it is, you are insulting me. It's okay. I will pretend like we didn't have this conversation. I'm not going to mention this to Izuna because I know that even your son is not aware of all this your evil plotting. You are doing it on your own, looking for where to fix troubles where there are none. But please, like I said earlier, I don't want to ever see you come to look for me in my house. The only thing that should bring you to my house is maybe to come and drink. Just that.
Njideka, you know Okechukwu.
I don't even know what you want to explain. What is it that you don't understand? Stop coming to my house. That is the only thing I will tell you. The next time I see you, honestly, I will forget that you are old enough to be my mother.
Don't be angry. I actually came to give you some money. If you want, I can bring it and give you.
You need the money more than I do. I got you now.
It's not make sense.
My bosom friend, Enika one nemo, Afuro Mary
Good day, ma'am. No. Yes. Sorry, the car is dirty because I drove all the way from Lagos. And are you Nedley, Okechukwu's mother?
Yes, I am Nedley, Okechukwu's mother. Any problem?
Okay, fine. He asked me to give the car to you.
Eh?
Yes.
To give the car to me?
Yes, the car is yours.
Hey. This car?
Yeah.
Hey!
Mama, this is Benza.
Sorry, ma'am. There's something else.
Mom! Hi! Mom! This is Benza, Mama.
These phones, he asked me to give these phones to you.
Hey, iPhone.
There are 4 phones, and he said 1 for you, 2 for his sisters.
Hey.
And again, there is this person he mentioned. Okay, Njideka, yeah, his girlfriend.
Hey.
Yes, exactly, yeah.
Hey!
Hey, good.
I had to configure the phones, the SIMs and everything is inside. So the packs are inside the car.
Hey!
Are you serious? Yes, that's the pack.
Hey! What?
Mama, I want to sing.
Church Zaria. Shift. Shift! Mama. Shift on, let me enjoy the motor.
Mama, let's see now. We just want to see now. We are.
Are you not seeing the car enough?
I want to see
inside now. I don't understand. Only I go to motor teacher. The person that will enter first teacher. I don't understand. Wait, let me enjoy the car. Then I'll tell you how it tastes. Then you can come inside if I want you to.
He likes to put too much.
Hi! Mama, good afternoon. Izuna.
My son, how are you?
Fine. What did you do? I came to talk to John.
Please, whatever you want to say to me, just say it here.
Joma, please, I'm sorry. I came to apologize for all the time I caused you trouble and also intimidate you. It was because I love you. And I also came to tell you that I will be traveling to Lagos tonight. And my flight to America is 12 p.m. tomorrow. And
America?
Yes, Mama.
America?
Yes.
The main one.
The main America.
Okay. I need you to do me a favor.
Anything.
When you get to America, help me look for this. See what is the problem. If he's fine, let us know. He should at least talk. Even if he's in prison, there is phone there. Let's hear from him, okay?
I can do that for you, but I will need your number so I can pass the information to you directly.
Yes.
Call my sister's number. Give him your number. Sister Ibiakwa. Get close to him so that you have one person abroad.
At
You
least.
know any other person outside this country.
Outside this village.
Please make sure you help me find
No problem, Zuma, I got you.
He's inside.
It's ringing.
Yeah, he's inside. It's inside the room.
Okay, I'll call you as soon as I get there.
Oh yeah, see him off. Mama, he knows his
Chama,
way now.
see him. See the thing. You have 5 years more. We need to get out from.
Okay, Mama. Okay.
Hold her tight. Okay. Handle with care. No problem. Chama, you better. Under the village.
Zube, to be honest with you, I am in a relationship with someone else. I don't want to deceive you.
Yes, I know. I know of your relationship with Okechukwu.
Who told you that?
Have you forgotten who I used to be? I know of your secret romance with Okechukwu.
Then why do you still want me?
Because I know Okechukwu will never take you serious.
How do you mean?
He has never manned up to tell your brother that he loves you. And as it stands right now, he's even betraying your brother.
How?
I didn't want to tell you. Okechukwu is capable of fulfilling his promises, but his only focus of enriching himself and his family.
Nzube, are you trying to tell me that Okechukwu is in good health and comfortable in America? That he is not only betraying my brother, he is also betraying me.
Unfortunately.
No, this is not fair.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Hey! Open romance. People have secret romance. I told my son never to take you seriously. He should not shower gift on you. What, Roya? You are busy flirting yourself all over the place with every man available. So you chose this one. You chose this one. He asked me for evidence. I quickly snapped you.
You did
when
what?
You were smooshing, kissing, romancing. So that I will send to my son.
You're a very wicked woman. You and your son can go to hell for all I care. I regret considering you as a mother.
So me, mother? I can never be your mother. I don't want to be a mother of a flirt. Me, a shower. I can never be your mother. I will send to him. Whenever you catch a thief, that's how a thief will run him out. That is what you are doing now. So you chose this Zolo. After I've tried to do something you chose over my son. Shame on you. Let me go to my car. My driver is carrying me. You're legging it. And opening car Zolo. Hey! Yeah, what is this?
This woman is very wicked. I swear to God. This woman is very wicked.
Once you are right, good thing will come. Ha! Fine girl. Why the man? How are you? Eh? Njide, what are you doing to yourself? Why don't you accept someone that thinks better and plans better? Eh? Come on,
Mama Okechukwu. Please, I don't have strength for your sermons today. As you can see, I am already tired. I'm just coming back from the market and I have a lot to cook today. So please, don't even drain my strength.
That is because you want to stress yourself. Why don't you accept someone that will take care of you? Accept my son. He will transform your life. All this stuff for a bear. Am I not an evidence of transformation? Eh?
The transformation you are enjoying today is all thanks to Izuna. Don't worry yourself. Very soon, I mean very, very soon, he will be transformed also. And when he is being transformed, he will come for me.
Really?
Yes.
Why don't you join the moving train and stop hanging on hope? I
would rather hang on hopes than join an evil force to fight against an innocent man.
I don't want you to think that this is an action against anyone. Life and time happened to everyone. Have you tried to ask this your lover his plan for his future? Forever. Anyway, just give me a second. See the phone my son bought for you. No, he has a SIM already, so he has your number. People will be communicating with each other. This is an iPhone, it's an expensive phone. You can see all this is the type the young girls of these days like. You will love it. And even the pictures very clear.
I sacrificed for you. I did my best for you.
No problem. Oga, Oga, driver, turn motor, let's go. What are you looking at?
Listen, don't forget she has siblings outside. Maybe they decided to remember her now that her son is happy.
Or better still, it's someone's car. I don't believe that it's Okechukwu that sent that car.
He is the one who he sent the car. Brother, Okechukwu has disappointed us. He betrayed you.
I won't believe that. It's still early to judge him. Until I see Okechukwu with my two naked eyes. Or better still, until I hear his voice. I can't judge him. It's too early now.
But from what his mother told me...
Forget about what his mother said. I have no business with that. Until I hear from Okechukwu, let everybody rest in peace, please.
What kind of atrocity is that woman committing?
A disastrous one, Papa. You see, that woman is not even scared of anybody.
But seriously, I don't understand. How can Okechukwu be asking for my hand in marriage? Like, where is that coming from?
It's an act of accumulated jealousy and envy. That family has always compared themselves with that of Izuna's family. And for the fact that Izuna is doing better than Okechukwu, despite Okechukwu's academic qualifications, is a very big threat to them.
So he now wants to marry my own sister.
He may have admired your sister secretly, pretending to be happy with their relationship.
Papa, it's not a secret.
So why do you keep talking? Look, I'm done with school. Check me out. I am done with school, and very soon I will be done serving our father's land. Get a job, start making money, then take care of you. Yeah? You keep. You know that if you're not friends, why don't you do it?
What's that one? Do you want to enter my mouth? What's the meaning of that? Huh? Because gradually, whoever. The problem with you is that all you talk about is money, money, money. Do you think that everything is about money?
Everything is about money.
No! Everything is not about money. You have to develop feelings for someone before considering their financial stability. Look at you. You expect me to fall in love with you because of the money you think you will make.
Money
and
money is everything. Money rules the world. Look, I'm just telling you. I just want to let you know that we have a brighter future together. With you and I. Yeah? Sky is our starting point. You get to the point now. Yeah. It's not all these things. Let me take care of you. Very soon.
Honestly, you are getting me so pissed. It's like nobody has told you the truth. Let me tell you now, okay, Chukwu. You see as your face is dark, that is how your future is dark. And I thought that your future man for anything. What is that one?
Are you serious?
Listen, let me tell you. I don't like repeating myself. I've told you severally that I am in love with Izuna. And the only reason I'm even still talking to you is to know if you will help me convince him to fall for me. If you know you don't want to help me, then let me be. Just tell me so that I'll know what else to do. Stop bothering my head with all this nonsense talk of yours. Now bouncing ball. What's that one? I beg you.
Izuna. You have a very long way to go with Izuna. That guy ain't you know, Chichi. He's my friend, and I will tell you the truth. Gary.
My love is gone.
It's not even your love. He's not your love and will never be.
I'm fine, oh. You're where? Are you serious? You're on your way to my shop? I stepped out to get something.
I just wanted to take my phone, change around.
He actually asked me out first before Izuna became my friend. So now I know where all these are coming from.
The thing is, that family wants to be above every other family around this village.
Check for us, oh.
Hey, this thing I'm seeing on Facebook.
Which Facebook? You want to start doing Facebook now? Who is Mama? Mama is back. Mama is back. Mama?
Mama, welcome.
Mama, why is your face like...
Give me.
Oh,
Mama?
Mama, what's the problem now?
Njideka rejected Okechukwu again today. She walked out on me when I was trying to give her the phone Okechukwu sent to her.
Mama, is that why you seize our own phones?
Is it not enough? What are you people doing to make Okechukwu happy? Everything Okechukwu is doing is for people to be happy. What are you people doing to make him happy? Can't you people go and convince Njideka to follow Okechukwu, your brother?
Mama, how do you expect us to go and convince Njideka to follow brother Okechukwu? What would that make us look like now?
However way to make you look, I don't care. However way you will do it, I don't care. All I want is for you to go convince Njideka to follow your brother. If not, no goodies will come to you again. I will tell him to lock the tap. It will not flow to you again. I will enjoy everything and carry the consequences. He's my son.
Blood! My blood! You done show! Now you life and direct! My praise is too much. See person picky! Yeah, fam. When you two won't come package you. Please don't package you. You dey feel that? You dey feel the other now? You dey feel the other? Hi!
Chukwu.
My praise.
I'm truly proud of you. You've been really reasonable. In fact, you actually disappointed me because I was just probably thinking you're going to do something different. Honestly, I'm really proud of you.
Thank you, my praise. You learn from you now.
So anyway, Nzube, you'll be here for like 2 weeks indoors so that you can get used to the weather. Okay? Yeah. Okay, my prince. Yeah, by that time I would have secured a job for him in the company. So
Thank you too much. Prince, not if you do you.
You don't address me as the prince here. You can call me the boss. That's okay. You still my king, but if you insist,
boss,
no problem, boss.
Boss. Prince the boss. But they don't be here on my side.
At all. I'll catch you guys up later.
Prince, nothing fit do you. Nothing fit do you.
Alright, boss.
Your face show, your shoe shine. See person begin. Clear up for that man, abeg. Nah, so. You dey see me balling.
Yo, babe, what are you still doing in there? Come on, babe.
I'm coming, babe.
Let's do this shit like never before. Yeah. My friend said.
No, have a seat.
I wasn't expecting you in my room. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's okay. You seem kind of unsettled. Are you okay?
No, I'm fine. I'm okay.
I just want to inform you that Nzube already arrived at the country, actually just picking up.
Nzube, who is Nzube, sir?
Okay. Onowo's son, the one from the village.
Oh, Nzube, he's welcome to America. He's welcome.
I'm actually wondering why Izuna is not here with Nzube at the moment.
Oh, it's under my friend. You don't have to worry about Izuna. I've always been in contact with him, right? We have another different plan and we're working towards it. Okay?
Okay, so what kind of conversation have you guys been having, or what's the step, or what's the stage at the moment?
I spoke to him a few days ago and I sent him some money. We're actually planning to build a pure water company.
You see, it no be anything, no be too much deal, no be plenty work for me to send 4 legs to Palais for village. They feel me, but if to side do a Bobby, if I no feel lap America, because no be small bread I have put up to bring you. So this one where they say things and things, forget. We know where we invest.
So how come he's able to send cars and same time building a house? His mother, how come?
If you ask me, Sha, I don't know who me I go ask. But one thing when I know is you see that man, me and them they earn the same money for this wood. They earn the same alawina. So until the one week on the time they cap me saying they do things and things, they buy cars, they still build house. Bobby, I don't understand that one or that level. Me, I don't know how it take come. Except see something on they play with me, I no code. But I'll still find out how it be. I will still play you tape.
I'll be like Sha, but now we say Zuna know what they do. Because he said until he hears from Okechukwu, he would not believe anything at all.
Wait. It's they cap me now, we say Okechukwu never turn and now Zuna for 4.
I swear, I did tell you. Now we see that Somali they tell me for village, your man.
I lose garden now.
Big one.
No, you don't go where now. No, if you do that kind of one, you know, me, you don't go where now. No be a be that now. No legit.
I'm not sharp at all. Sure. Sorry to observe me. It's happen.
You just cap Nana see, nah. Chioma na in the copy all these things. And they tell you things and things.
Yes, I'm sure.
I'm waiting. Madam de Nakana, abi?
No level, never did Nakana, my brother.
Shh. Oh, focus.
I declare you now.
You don't blow the girl, sure?
No.
Never blow.
We're just friends, bro.
You never blow?
I swear, we never.
You just friends?
I will lie for you.
Hey, hear English, bro. You just friends.
You do abroad now, so what do you expect?
Come on, hold and stand. No go hold and stand.
I declare you, I go lie for you.
You never blow?
No.
He's going to tell you things and things like that.
Declare you now, so.
So what you are doing? Now they read Bible or now they do gospel?
We read news together.
I know as I disembark from that unit. your morale don't be like a camel and make for 4 days.
Ah, God, I'm not going to lie. I miss you, guy. My vote is low.
No, you know, be as you get. You don't laugh, you say you don't laugh. As you go back with enough bread.
Shut down.
You go nakana anybody we want nakana.
Hey!
Anybody, nobody bununa. Don't worry. I go position you well.
I believe.
I go position you.
I believe.
Confirm.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. How may I help you?
We would like to have a conversation with you. That's if you don't mind.
I'm all ears.
Come on, not like this. At least, like, let's step out, hang out together as girl stuff, then we can have the conversation. Yeah.
Chill out with you as what? No, I don't understand. Chill out with you as what? Listen, it is too early to start wasting my time with you. If you don't want to say whatever it is that brought you to this place, please allow me focus on what I was doing.
Please, don't be too hard on yourself. You know, sometimes you do your girly stuff, have a good life. Just, you know, give us small time. Then you... Njideka, wait, are you asking us to leave? Njideka, please now. Hey, I thought we were going to tell Mama now. Njideka!
Son, hurry up. Things are not easy. They will soon be here. Just clean it and position it that side, okay?
Papa? Papa, I want to go out with Nkemdirim and Ifunanya.
Go away now. Ifunanya and Nkemdirim, how?
Well, they are out there. They came and said they want to have some conversations with me. And I don't think it's a bad idea giving them some listening ears.
No. You're not going anywhere. Papa, she's not going anywhere.
What's that now? Why are you interrupting me? Let me talk to my father. Who are you?
She was talking to me now. I am still alive. He said he want to have some conversations with them, right?
Exactly, Papa.
You can go.
Papa,
you can walk them there.
You're taking too much from how? What kind of conversation can they have outside that they cannot have here,
My
Papa?
son, can you listen to me? There are things you cannot control. And when you see them coming, can you leave
Papa, I don't understand.
Make sure you clean the chair. Make sure you clean it too.
My bosom friend, any can one more, I'm for a merry
with Ifunanya and then Nkemdirim. They were so happy. Hey! Choma! You saw? Choma, go and do what you're supposed to do this morning. And leave people with the life they chose. Yeah, they were happy. They were in the car. They were in the... Choma. Let me go and see Manke Chinyere. Mama. Go inside and do your work. I am not happy. I am...
I took you like my blood. I took you into my life as my brother. share a lot together. We eat together. We drink together. Ogini kameregi ijibu amobimo. What did I do that you broke my heart? Ogamo chigo wagamero anya mire chugamisi wakira imeremo. Ogamo chigo wagamero imo. My heart is shattered. This is not the plan. We have chigo wagamero imo. What did I do
Go quickly, go and continue. Why are you lazing around? Ah! You're just going to carry one small bag. Hey! Oya ka m nụrụ onu ya. Nnedile. Ọkwa n'eziokwu. Hey! Nnedile, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good, oh. So it is true. I heard that your son is building a house around here. But I thought it was a lie. But now I've seen for myself. Hey, thank God.
You heard what?
I heard that he's building a house.
This house is being built by my brother.
Hey.
My brother that has been living in America for the past 10 years. Yes! He remembered the good things I did for him. I was his pharaoh then. Now he is my pharaoh. I am the Josephine of our time. He's the one building this to appease me for all the good things I did for him when he was much younger. Yes!
Really?
As a Furochi at a 4-4.
Yes,
but
so
he remembered.
Really?
Yes.
Interesting. Then your brother must be a very good person.
Oh my God. What we want them, Larry.
May God bless him for his
Amen.
goodness. God must surely bless him.
Amen.
Hey.
Amen. Amen.
Hey. Hi, Nadine, how about your son? Have you heard from him?
From where? Hear from who? Since my son traveled, I have not heard from him. I know my son is suffering in Obodo Yibo. Obodo Yibo is not easy. People, when you travel abroad, everybody be expecting you to be pumping money. As if the money there grows on trees. They suffer to make money. I don't even know if he has a phone yet to call me. How will he reach out to me? No, it must be through a phone. Right now, I don't even have a phone. So how will he reach me? I don't even know whether he has made money to buy phone yet.
My sister, you're right. Obodo Yibo is very, very tough.
I know.
It's very, very tough indeed.
You're talking as if you have been to Obodo Yibo before.
But I used to.
You hear them?
I used to.
It's good.
Okay. God will help him.
Amen.
God will bless him.
Amen. Amen.
Let me be going.
No, there is no chair here. You should be going.
Don't bother your friend.
You should be going.
Why don't you?
Wicked woman. Wicked. Snooping around, gossiping. I heard. Who told you? You want to come and bury charm here? God has exposed and disgraced you. That's your charm. Bad belly. Rubbish. I heard. Who? No, from I heard people say, I wonder it was difficult. Have you gone there before? And who kept this thing here?
I took you as a friend. I took you like my blood. I took you into my life as my brother.
Can't you see I'm on call? So you're on call. I am telling you that Izuna is outside. He say he wants to see you. Say you're on call. Yeah, okay. Go out there and tell him that I am on call. Stop disturbing me. Oh, why are you look, get out.
Don't shout at me. Shout at me.
I don't understand though. Boy, messenger. Neko. Don't mind this, my brother. He's really giving me headache in this house, so honestly.
She's answering call. I don't know the kind of call she's answering. I don't understand. She's there, just there at the backyard answering call. I don't understand how.
Of course, you know I love you too. Huh? Don't worry, I'll come back, huh? I'll come back when I'm done building my house. Is there anything you need? Just say it. Anything you want me to do for you, just say it. You know I'm well to do. No? Yeah, that's okay. How is everyone? Really? That's beautiful. It's a good news. Huh? Good. Alright, alright. Are you serious? What's not like that? I've been calling your phone, I won't pick my call. What's going on?
Why will I take your calls? Did you buy any phone from me?
Are you serious?
Yeah. Listen, I'm tired of this relationship or whatever it is that we have been doing. I'm tired.
But we were cool. What happened? Why did you get tired of me all of a sudden?
You and me, we are cool. Oga, I was just managing, calming down. Let me know if you will make money and come and pay my bride price. Then okay, he tried for the nonsense saying, don't even try with me. Why would you buy me water? Why would you buy me water? Take a good look at me. Do I look like I am getting younger? Huh? You want me to enter menopause before you come and marry me? No, you want me to remain in my father's house and be dragging parts with this Agadia Cuenca, this old man that call himself my brother. Get me to allow me to follow the man that has already made it. What can I bear? Let me follow him and marry. Not when I enter menopause now. You know what I'm chopping up now? You will look for a young girl to marry and abandon me.
So you are dumping me?
Okay, I have dumped you if that is what you will understand better.
Are you sure this is what
you are dumped? I'm very sure.
Like you're not drunk for sure?
No, I don't understand. Okay.
Enjoy. I wish you the best.
I will enjoy. Look at I believe you've not seen my phone. Look at my phone. It's an iPhone. You've not seen it. Careful. Why are you not doing the work? Finish the work now.
I can't believe you're doing this. I can't believe you're doing this. What is all this change about? What is this change about?
Chaitanya.
Huh?
Chaitanya.
Huh?
I am warning you. I'm warning you several in this house, but you don't want to behave yourself. I will break your head. You don't want to behave yourself in this house.
Thanks now. Hey, enough. Enough. Can't I help this here? What is it? Your sister is old enough to take her decisions. If she said this doesn't want to do it again, allow her be now. What is the problem?
What's this? Huh? This idiot here, this rascal will be acting like my guardian angel. Are you the one that fits me? No, what does that mean? You want me to continue suffering? Chaitanya, look at me from head to toe. Do I look like someone who deserves to suffer? I deserve to live a good life.
Is that the simple reason why you will go to Okechukwu's mother to collect an iPhone? To collect an iPhone? And what is happening now? You're treating Izuna like a total stranger. Wait. That is my point now.
Look. This big phone you're holding.
Yes, Papa, that is the phone.
From Okechukwu?
Yes.
Wait. If you have decided to leave Izuna and move on with your life, I don't have any issue with that. But you see, involving yourself with that Okechukwu, the same betrayer that betrayed Izuna. Now.
That is my point. What am I saying? This is my point.
Your point, it's your point. Papa, I don't understand what you're trying to say. I don't understand. The main point here is that Okechukwu will bring us out from poverty. Are you enjoying this kind of lifestyle you are living, Papa? Eh? He will take us out from this poverty-stinking village. Even this Efule, we have the chance to travel to America.
Papa, is that what Okechukwu has been feeding you? Is that what he has been telling you? Okechukwu, I know, will simply use you. He will use you. Okechukwu is a spoiled brat. Everybody knows. Okechukwu is a spoiled. See, you will end up regretting this. You will regret this. iPhone!
That we regret it. Look at you.
iPhone!
Look at you.
iPhone!
You are already regretting your life with your nonsense hairstyle.
No problem.
You will regret it all the rest of your life. Look at this one. What do you mean? Who will regret it? I will regret it.
Your screen will even break very soon. I will never. No, what is it?
Papa,
and you.
Papa, no problem. So why do I don't have anything that just let me be this time. Just allow me to let me live my life.
Mama of iPhone! Papa, look at the way iPhone is using my sister. This is not longer my sister. This is iPhone!
My son, it is okay. Do not trouble yourself. Every disappointment has a reason. God knows the best. And He must surely see us through. It is okay. Stop crying. Let's learn on how to leave those who abandoned us and move on with our lives. Okay? It's okay. I know you will make it one day. God will surely see us through. God will not abandon us like this. What you did is right. It's okay. What? Odogum. Ago.
How come he's building a house in such a short time?
Don't you think you're over-assuming things? Yes. You might be wrong, you know.
Which is why father has to investigate the rumor. What if it's true?
Listen to me. What that young man decides to do with his money is no one's heck. The young man saw an opportunity and grabbed it, unlike Izuna, who refused to grip the opportunity as it were.
Father, I stopped by to inspect the house and the car he bought for his mother. Yes. Father, I must tell you for free that the amount of money he is pumping into that building is not a small money at all. It's not a small amount of money at all. He needs to be investigated, Father.
You mean you went to investigate someone's house out of rumor? What? Why have you decided to bring yourself so low? What do you stand to gain, my princess?
Mom, you may think I'm doing this because of Izuna.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I have not seen Izuna for a couple of weeks now. But Father, Okechukwu's family needs to be investigated. I know what I'm saying. How does he make such huge amount of money in just a short period of time? It's not possible, Father.
I will fix this.
This one you visited my flat. And the one man, all is well.
Of course, I came to welcome our new arrival.
You don't come now, making see things and things.
You're welcome.
Hustling begins.
You're welcome. Yeah? Welcome to America.
Thanks, no lie.
Yes, of course, I know how you've been spreading my name in the village, saying that I am building a house and I bought cars for my mother with my hard-earned money, not with your father's money. I know you've been sleeping around with my woman, Chioma, but it's none of my business. Now listen to me. Here is America. Do everything possible to stay off my path. Else, you'll feel the heat. You will face my wrath.
Okechukwu. Okay, one. Okay, wait though. You get morale. You get ododo. That's your inner chest starch. You enter my flat. As if you know they enough, you blow bars inside my flat. See you on top. This okay when you start to speak English. No, I could check out. Now because you enter America. You see get morale, he GK my younger brother. Now my younger brother is GK for my present. Okay, he Jones. Something worry for it. See, okay, stay where you. Make a no change for you. Something. Get out. Come on.
Come on, get out. Don't sit down, my son. But you my son. You're talking to a very big guy. Which one, son? Now, who are you?
You're a very big guy.
Who are you? Hey. One thing that one over there. This is America. I will frustrate you. I will. You know me.
Okay, see, make I tell you one thing. Make I copy my inner chest and assistance now. If no be say na America would day. If to say you day outside or one place, one-on-one, okay, I go put up for your body.
Shut up.
I go run and tag you.
You know if do nothing. This is America.
Okay, wait, see, okay? Okay, no, see, I go be. Ide Jones, shut up! Ide Jones!
It's here!
Let me use your
power!
You go blow me short.
Like that.
You go blow me short.
Like that. Like that.
Okay, wait. So because of all these small selling and what they do, where they use $5 they go do.
No be shobo.
You say you go blow me short.
No be shobo. No be shobo.
I want to disembark.
What are some capondole?
Disembark!
Shut up! Come on, why are you so Mogo. Dollar.
Okay, you enter my crib. Now me you come there.
You
GK my brother for my front. Okay, no. Okay, see, one-on-one, I go lap you for villa. Okay, listen to America. You go see for village.
Leg it where?
Okay, I go run and tie you.
Leg where?
Buy one now. Go see for villa. Go see for villa. Shut the door as you go. No worry, you don't play your thing. See okay. See okay, they speak English. They Hi, America don't package moguls. America package you well. Hi, America package okay. If no be say na America would day. A Bobby, okay, moral no reach to enter my mat. Come day here, they kill you. But no problem now. No one. I think okay, because all these sponsors selling when they go do with $5. But he go tell you. I go make Okechukwu believe.
Mama, he's calling me back.
Pick it.
Hello. Good morning. Okay. How are you doing tonight? We are fine, we are just managing. Sorry to bother you. Have you seen Okechukwu? Okay, no problem. No need for that. Just call me once in a while. Let me know how you are doing. Okay, bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Okay.
Hello, but what if... Hello?
She's still asking me. You give her the right answer. So, as she give her that answer, I saw it be nobody bro.
But what if she finds out?
What thing I find out won't get to do with you. What thing concern her finding out. If she find out, she find out now. So that will not be your business now. You know see Okechukwu be say you know see Okechukwu. You don't know where Okechukwu dey be say you don't know where Okechukwu dey. Hey, you lap America to come find Okechukwu. No one use your head now. Tell me say what if she find out.
But wait, so why would she think something like that? What is my business with Okechukwu?
I did my right hand. As I did like this, I don't get joy soap. As you dey Facebook me like this now, I don't get joy soap. So use your head pan. If not, I go. That's it. I go put her for your body rapid. The mumu. You don't see Okechukwu be say you don't see Okechukwu. When you see Okechukwu for villa, and Okechukwu fit do that their things there. They tell me say what if. Say, Abobi, you enter America to find money. Na bread you come find. Focus. Find money. When you enter Nigeria, you know why you come America.
Alright. I just hope it does not backfire.
No more. You don't be saying my blood there. I for don't put a rapid for your ear.
I thought it is in the same city that they all stay. No, Mama. I think they live in different cities.
Whichever one. See, my daughter, forget about Okechukwu.
Mama?
Yes. Concentrate on Nzube. Nzube that came to this house to confess his love before leaving.
Mama. Mama, please. You know it will not be easy for me.
But it is easy for him. For Okechukwu and his family to forget about us. So, it will be easy for you to forget about them. Forget about him. Inugo, do it. It is easy for you. Do it. You can. So it is not easy.
Can you imagine? So it is true.
What is true?
Okechukwu bought his mother a car. She just came to the palace with her driver. Oh, really? So it means that's true that her son is building a house for her?
My dear, that's not the most painful part of it. Could you believe this woman walked into the palace without even greeting our princess? Princess Emily, our own princess.
That's a lie.
She even had the effrontery to catwalk without permission, like just anyhow.
Anyway, what do you expect? Like mother, like son. This one has shown me that she had a hand in her husband's demise. Honestly. And she has ended up turning her children to think like her.
Igwe, I am so happy for the fact you called me here to ask me this question you just asked. Shows you a good man. Let me digress a little. You see, I have a brother that has lived in America for the past 10 years now. When he heard I sent my son, I betted from this womb for 9 months. I carried him. When my brother heard I sent him to America, my brother said, oh, my sister is a good woman. My sister is a strong chichicho woman. Why am I have sense. He decided to start blessing me. Blessing me. When it comes to your brother and your blood sister, your child is a third party. My brother started blessing me. Blessing me with money, dollars. Ego! Yes! Go see me.
So what you're trying to say is that your son is not the one building the house you are supervising?
My son that has not been able to send me a shishi, Faden. Penny is the one that will be building the house. Mbana. My son has not been able to send my daughter and I in fact, 1 naira adobe. Menroy has not done it before.
What about the car you're driving?
God forbid. My brother looked at the car, even sent me the catalog. I saw the car and I chose this particular one he sent me. In fact, it's very chilling. My brother bought it for me. Like I told you earlier, Izuka Mananich. Child is third party.
Well, it's okay. Thanks for the information. This is all I wanted to hear from you.
Hey.
So you can go back to your abroad.
Thank you very much. You know, I'm a very truthful person, so I needed to explain everything the way it happened to you. Odoziak is mine. Ogori Mobi dear, the only beautiful woman in our community. Thank you very much. I said, let me make this appeal. Since I am here now, I think it's the right time for me to join the Internal Women Forum. As in here, I put it there.
Really? And what makes you think this is the right place and time for such conversation?
I know it might not be the right time. You know you're a truthful woman. You're very honest. It's true. But you know, as no nyere roach. Oga para yanko ya para. Oga para kwaji ya para. Makanada liojo wada. This is an opportunity for me to do it. There'll be no better way. Eh?
Madam, like I said, this is not the right time nor place for such conversations, please.
But where and where else could it be? If not for now that I'm in the palace. But it's okay. You know, I know the one you wake up. No problem.
I believe the king has dismissed you. Please leave.
It's okay. Even when God is.
is this? What are you Don't try it. People that look in the palace, they don't have sense. Don't try it.
Today, finger on my maid. What is happening? What is going on here?
I was just passing the phone. I apologize. Very good.
You know, for doing this kind of work, you would have paid yourself 10,000 naira. Next time if you can just
My king, that woman is lying.
Of course, I know she's lying, but what can we do about it?
Nothing. I know she's lying. My princess, why were the maids laughing? They watered that stupid woman.
Father, that woman is devil in human form.
Maria said, watch your tongue. That woman is not enough to make you lose it.
My dear, just calm down, okay? Just calm yourself down. And all I know is there's always a day of judgment for every evil person. And soon will be her day of judgment.
Clear the road, Achiever has come. Chop the money, Achiever don't land you. Money on air. Anywhere he enter, his name is Achiever. Achiever, yeah, go. Chop my money, and I'm Alicia Kike. Poverty, bye, yo. Obiama, Bagolo, Monson. Yekwe Chelumba, Batago. He went and conquered. Ochepalo Chutaya Bego. His name is Achiever. Ochekapa Society. The guy is paid. He's rolling with money, Achiever, yeah, go. Chop my money, and I'm Alicia Kike. Poverty, bye, yo. Achiever, yeah, go. Chop my money, and I'm Alicia Kike. Poverty, bye, yo. Obiama, Bagolo, Monson. You have forgotten the fingers that fed you. It's not biting the fingers that fed him.
Look at this woman just packed this thing. Give me like that without even selecting it.
She couldn't even select any part. The dirty part is too much, Mama. I'm tired.
Sorry, my dear. Let's do it and go and prepare food.
I'm getting tired. Brother Izuna. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Mama. Brother Izuna's friend is back to this village.
Which friend?
His best friend. You need to see how he was paying money. Brother, she said Okechukwu is back. I'm not flying, no. Look at the money I picked. From there? Yes. Are you sure? Your friend has made it. Hey, brother, she said he's back home. And he has money now. Very rich. Very rich.
Nne, thank you very much. You can now go, oh?
Mama, it's his best friend, though.
No problem, thank you.
Mama, let me escort her.
Huh?
Go and sit down there. If Okechukwu is back, he will come here.
Oh.
Sit down. Everything you hear. Don't leave this house.
Ago. Look at.
Starting where? Starting where? Are you proud of you? Huh?
I don't want.
That is your mother.
I don't want.
My brother, this is just the backyard. Have you seen how beautiful it is?
Wonderful.
The plastering is so smooth.
Exactly. Mama, what about the plumber? Have they come to fix the problem in the city room toilet?
No, my son, but tomorrow they'll come in.
Okay. Alright, you have to go and see Igwe Akokare to pay him homage.
Is it just Igwe you want to go and see? Or you want to go and see Princess Ebele? I know you still have eyes for her. All these years, you still have eyes for her.
I do, but...
Clear the road, achiever has come. Chop the money, achiever don't land you. Money on air, anywhere he enter, his name is Achiever. Achiever, yeah, go. Chop my money, and I'm Alicia Kike. Poverty, bye.
Mom, I told you I'm a ready man. Time to get back to the street. I'm a very big guy. I won't stop making money. There is no...
I don't understand. Where is our brother from? Big. What's going on here?
Oh, you don't understand. I got to walk in now.
I don't know. Where you go? What?
So, why you pissed? Is it because I didn't give you the money to settle that?
Okay, Chuku, if this is what you learn in America, then go back and regain your manner.
Where is that coming from?
Well, how much are you paid as the chief guard of this?
No. Whether chief guard or one guard is no work. Boy. In fact, take this money and go and take care of yourself. Let us go and see the Igwe. That is what we came here to do.
Take care of this money, I'm coming.
If you go there, he wants the money.
Let's go.
He was indirectly trying to...
Let's go!
Go.
Don't get to my nerves. Sorry. Let's go.
Leave him.
You gotta tell what this boy has. Who is it?
Oh, now, let us go. Go inside, let's go and see the Igwe. Poverty is all over you. That is not your job.
Don't talk to me. That's not...
Thank you. That's why you're my other sister. That's why I love you.
Brother. See money.
Hey, see money.
Mme, is it true that Okechukwu is back? Eh?
What is it, Choma?
Is it true?
What is it? Can't tell your poverty-sinking family leave us alone. Leave us alone.
I thought you are my friend. Are you the one saying this to me?
No, I'm not the one saying it. Oh yeah, take now, take. Go and buy
take
something for yourself.
Take
now. Why you do like take?
Take now. We are dashing you money.
Now you not collect it.
Take now.
Keep your money, Joe.
How can you be poor and you have pride at the same time?
See money.
Take money, you will not take money. I will buy. You see that shoe? That sandal. That sandal we saw in the market.
You like to buy too much.
Yes, now that's why Boda gave us.
Keep the money first.
Brother,
go now.
Come back. Leave her. If Boda come back again, if you travel and come back again, our money will be good.
Yes. Oh, Boda, you is good.
I'm telling you. Jesus. See money.
Jesus.
And see, all of them are mates. When last did we see mates in this our village? Hey!
Igwe, you know I made very good use of the opportunity given to me by these powers. I worked hard. I worked very hard. Igwe, I worked day and night to make sure I make you and my mother here proud.
Hi. Oh. My princess. She look amazing. More beautiful than I ever imagined. What have you been eating lately?
Where is Izuna?
I don't understand.
Where is Izuna?
I don't know. Izuna is probably in the forest chasing after grass cutters.
What are you doing here without Izuna?
Izuna is not my bodyguard. You know that.
Are you supposed to be sitting?
Yeah?
Without Izuna, you will never enter this palace. All your life, you will never. You will not be sitting down there. And you will never dine on the royal table. You will never smell embassy. Let alone fly in the airplane. Now you are right when you say that Izuna is not your bodyguard. He is your messiah. Now I ask you for the very last time, where is Izuna?
You know, what I'm still trying to figure out is the reason everyone is talking about what Izuna did for me. And they are not using the same energy to talk about what I did for Izuna.
Exactly. Father, I demand that this gold digger leaves the palace at once and never to return without Izuna.
Princess, how dare you?
Let your man leave the palace at once and never come back here without Izuna. Is that clear? Now get out!
Come on, let's go.
This arrogance is becoming something else. This boy needs to be thoroughly investigated. Oh, Tika! Oh, Tika! Go upstairs and get my phone. I have to make some calls. I have to put this phone.
And what kind of embarrassment is this?
See what I've been telling you?
Huh?
If it were that idiot now, everybody will be celebrating him. Eh?
Don't worry.
After you have achieved everything and yet to achieve more, yet they will not see the good in you.
Don't worry, Mama. By the time I'm done opening my house and doing my traditional marriage, they will not only respect me, they will get that bastard's name off their mouth.
Don't mind them. Let us quickly go and see Njideka. I know she must have been hearing about your doing since you came back. See, that's her. That's her.
My wife?
No. That witch. The witch's daughter. Okay, wait. Stop!
Why are you hugging? Are you going and then hug?
Eh? Mama. But did she do anything to you?
Mama, no. Am I your mother?
Mama.
Choma, what have I done to you?
Okay.
Huh? Tell me, what have I done to you?
Me.
I heard how you and your useless brother are going about this village gossiping with my name.
Utua.
Yes.
Me.
No,
I thought it was a lie. I thought it was a lie and I said that I would do my findings, but it's only 24 hours I stopped my food. And this village and everyone is fighting me because of your gossip. Chioma.
Okay, Chukwu. I swear to God, I don't know whatever you are talking about. I don't know about it. Honestly.
Come, Shona, son.
Look, I got you.
Shut your mouth!
Who are we going to ask?
No. tell me you sleeping with men, going around this village with men?
Me?
Is that what they lie to?
Sleeping with men?
Will you lie?
Okay, Chiku, I have never slept with anybody. I have never been with any man since you left this village.
No, wait. You look at me again at this age. You're looking me in the face and you're lying.
Mama.
Didn't I catch you kissing and romancing Nzube on the road? You would not even have the shame to go inside the bush or the house where people have been doing it. This one you brought it to the open so that the world will know that illegal here.
Obim, Nzube is just my friend. I was just telling him what I was going through. He hugged me. Hey! For me.
Do you not have sense? Nzube, that is a terrorist before I left this village, has suddenly turned your friend, a friend who you kiss, caress and romance around this village.
He's still a terrorist even now.
Obim, please don't say this to me. I'm telling you, don't say this to me. I have been keeping myself for you since you left this village. I am innocent of whatever you are accusing me.
Whether you are innocent or guilty, Ogafe, go and tell your witch of a mother. My shining star of a son is back. My achiever of a son is back.
Mama.
Nobody can stop his shine.
Mama,
not you,
please.
no witch of your
Don't say this to me and my family. We have not done anything wrong to you. We have never done anything wrong to you, Mama. Please.
Are you still listening to her? This one is abandoned property. Don't touch him, oh. I will slap you. Don't let me push you.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Stop, Biggie.
Please don't do this.
Biggie. People have heart. You have chest. Keep your chest to yourself.
Never say you went away around me. Ever again.
Obim, please don't do this to me.
You thought his clothes. You thought my son's clothes. Are you mad?
Mama, please.
The kingdom you're looking for has been departed from you. You have turned it away. So deal with it. Amosu. Now, enter. Don't please.
Mama,
in the Bible, when
don't do this to me.
You have to tear my oath too. Now tear it. Tear it. And not be no fear.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth! Your mother told you not to step out of this compound. What did you do? You take off. Now you are crying. No problem.
Mama, the most painful part is that she called you a witch.
What?
Who called Mama a witch?
Okay, Chiku's mother.
Eh?
I met them on my way coming back.
She called Mama a witch.
She called Mama a witch.
No, don't.
Mama, leave me. Mama, leave me. You are doing too much. Leave me. Mama, leave him. Leave him. This is doing too much.
Go out. What did you do? Eh? What's the queen?
You know, this beer parlor does not fit you anymore. Yeah? Or people are tired of wine, butchmates, and so on. I'm going to build you a very large restaurant. A massive one where you can be serving all these foreign wines, champagne, words, and a say, and so on. Our zoo will be included. It's not a child play. That's all. A very big guy. My achiever. Yes. First of all, I think I'll punch in the sum of 20 million into your account. One of the day I'll do you right now.
In on Siego, no? Hey, Siego.
My mother go. You get to the point. On Siego.
Siego. Oh. Yeah. You see, when you told me you needed a wife that you would take to Canada to become a nurse, I told you Jideka here is the only one qualified.
I know you. I know what you can do, what you're capable of. I believe you, Mama.
Have I been wrong before that you will not believe me?
Not at all. Look at her. A cute little smile.
Hey! Okay!
I have been, in fact, I might tolerate your excesses, but calling my mother names is what I will not take from anything.
I can't do anything about it. I'm warning you. I will call your mother names today, tomorrow, and forever.
Listen now, what is it? No, come now. Listen, what's been of this? Do you know how much you just wasted? What is wrong with you?
Don't be
Yeah, no, I'm not even joking with you. It's in this attitude of yours. I'm not okay with it at all. Is it anybody's fault that you chose to remain in poverty instead of good life? What is it? Can't you let me enjoy my life? I am trying to live a happy life.
Obi, without even questioning his source of income.
It's none of your business.
When you will wake up from this madness, I won't be there to say.
No, you wake up. I don't want you to wake up.
Allow me to have this monster. Where are you?
What kind of nonsense is that?
Tell me, who the hell are you? I will call your mother names any day and any time. Don't tell me. Tell me one more time. I will behead you and nothing will happen. Who the hell are you?
Everyone has seen the problem. You have seen the actual problem between my son and Batalaska. This is how my son offered him money. Or better still, to take him to America. But he refused. He said he wants my son's money. He wants half of his money, half of his property, his cars, his houses. You see how he's done? That is wickedness.
You will never have it.
Don't worry yourself. Enjoy your woman. Enjoy your life.
You will never have it.
Never!
You're jealous of me, I understand that. It's jealous of me.
Agum, Odogum, my one and only. Forget about them. Forget them. They are nothing to compare to you. You are the one that sacrificed your slot, like you told me, to them. God used you to bless them. God will still use another man to bless you beyond your expectation. So forget them. Stop crying. Stop tormenting yourself. What you did was good and right in the presence of God. So God will not abandon you. He must surely bless you. You give them your
Jeremiah 2:22 verse 2. Respect, money, and power, and your days shall be long. Take him away.
Please, my son. Please.
Take him!
Please, one police, Biko. One police, Biko. Please, leave my son alone for me. Leave my son alone for me, please. Hey, please now. I beg you in the name of God, don't do this to me!
Mama, obedience to money and power is the beginning of wisdom.
I don't have any other person.
Your son is a bastard.
Please don't leave me! Please! Hey!
Hey! You should have seen the punch. Oh, wow. The fight. If you see your brother, you pity for him. That boy almost killed him. With all his height.
Hey, Mama, what kind of wickedness is that? He wants to kill our only brother out of wickedness and jealousy.
Okay, Funu.
Hey.
That was why I asked my son to lock him up. Let him remain there until we open our new house. If not, he will come and disrupt everything out of his anger and jealousy.
Mama, instead of you to keep him the cell for that long, why not allow him sign some papers?
Are you
he
mad?
will not come to our new house?
No, are you mad? No, you want to show me that you're more civilized than I am. I don't understand. So, you still have feelings for that idiot?
Eh? Mama, I don't love anybody. In fact, you should really do.
Please,
don't touch me.
I beg you in the name of God, please. Forgive me. If I and my children have wronged you, please forgive us, please. Don't allow my only son to spend the night in that police cell.
You know he is your son.
He's my only son.
Oh, your only son. So your only son should come and kill my only son. Okay, all the more now.
No, you know it's not true. They are just friends. Friends do have misunderstanding.
Darkness and light do not have any relationship. My son can never be friends with your son. The poor and the rich can never be friends. They are not. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I can't. Don't touch me that hand again. I'm last time here for it.
Listen now.
Push her away!
Stand up, Mama. Stand up.
I don't know why you're coming here.
Stand up, Mama.
Push her away! Are you begging her?
No. Carry your wrapper.
Go on now. No, some of these people from police said, you are going across the gate. Away.
Please. What am I going to do?
Please help me. Help me tell Princess Emily that Okechukwu came to our house and arrested my brother Izunna.
Okechukwu?
Yes.
Arrested Izunna?
He has been arrested. Please, just go right away.
It's okay, yeah? It's okay. I think the princess must be sleeping or something. I'm going right away, yeah? Wait for my mom. Princess, Shoma is here to see you.
Isn't that sister?
Yes.
I hope there is no problem.
She said Okechukwu arrested her brother.
Jesus.
When? My princess!
So he attacked you first? Baby, oh. That bastard is not afraid of me. That idiot is not afraid of me, and what he doesn't know is that I can actually make him disappear. He laid his filthy hands on me.
And this happened at the bar?
Yes, of course. Yes.
Do you want to claim for damages?
Damages, you said. He does not have money to pay for anything. Don't worry about damages, I'll take care of it. Alright? All I need you to do for me is to keep him here. Huh? Keep him here until I'm done with my housewarming party. Then of course, you are invited to. Huh?
Surely I'll be there. Of course. Count me in.
Like you don't know who you're dealing with. I'm a very big guy. Alright? You know, I like you. I like you very much.
You know, when I called the AIG of police, he directed me to you. Yeah? Now I know the reason.
I'm very, very reliable.
That's good. Yeah?
Yeah.
More shall come your way when you do the needful.
Sounds good.
Yeah?
You're welcome.
Good. DPO. Alright, I shall be on my way.
Okay. Have a safe journey. Princess Emilia, welcome to my office.
I believe you know why I'm here. Release him immediately.
My princess, you know this is a crucial case.
You don't want me to write a petition against you with the royal envelope, do you?
Oh, no. It hasn't come to that. It hasn't come to that.
Then call them immediately.
Constable Sule, please release that man. Izuna Okoreke, release him now. I said release him, don't ask me a question.
Just pray that your men didn't wound him. Just pray. I'm leaving this office with him right away.
What are you still doing here? Rush to the kitchen, go and boil water. Let me come and praise him. Okay, Mama.
You have everything to yourself.
No one dance with you.
Because you go to move.
Take your stuff.
What they refuse to enjoy. That's sadist boy. I took on man. That idiot was sadist. You should have seen the way he poured the whole. He poured the whole thing. I didn't enjoy my drink.
You may do all you like, but if you tamper with Izuna again, I will make this kingdom uncomfortable for all of you. Rubbish set of human beings.
Police. Man, the princess. Brother, please. What you have is bigger. You're wasting your strength on failures. They have failed. They have the money.
Is this the kind of example you want to set in this kingdom? Arresting people with the police? This is going to be the last time I will hear about this.
Oh my. I'm sorry, Igwe, but he fought me first.
He fought you because you turned your back on him. Listen, nobody is going to lecture you on how to run your life with your money. But you must learn how to respect Izuna. I don't want to hear this again.
That's alright. That's alright. But Igwe, that's not enough reason for the princess to come to my house yesterday and destroy things worth money. For me.
What?
My daughter did what?
Exactly what I said.
You don't know what it's doing. You don't know. Do you know that Princess Emilie went to his house to warn him never to try such a thing again?
Huh. That sounds right. Izuna has every right to fight him. He's a betrayer.
Hey. I will advise you take it easy. Take it easy before she will hear you and go and report you to him. You know what it means.
I am not scared of Okechukwu. I'm only hailing him because he has a little change.
He said little change, he has money.
More give me.
Anyway, me too. I go wine. Barman. Where is the meat now? I don't dare the waiting. Where the meat there?
Why did you go to his house and cause chaos?
I only scattered the food they were eating after locking Izuna up.
When you had freed Izuna, what do you intend to achieve? You look, that young man can press charges against you and nothing will happen.
Father, I have my own charges against him too.
Will you shut up? Now listen to me. You must not allow your emotion to control you. I hope this is clear.
Yes, Father.
Leave her alone.
Allah. So this is you for real? Yeah? This is your true color. You know, my mother have been telling me things about you, but I never believed it. I have seen it with my 2 naked eyes. It's barely few months I left the country and you went about telling people how you made me, how you sent me abroad. You did this, you did that. What did you do for me? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, I came back. With my church mind, I arrested you. I took you to police station. I wanted to keep you behind bars for a while. Then bail you out. Decide on what to do for you. But no. You called a girl, a lady, Namaro, to come and bail you. Why? Now what can make them Potinello? Now let me tell you, from now on, I don't want to see you anywhere close to me. Anywhere around me, I'm going to photo again.
Only a buwan kita ade kwenu isinso.
Ogwa obodo nwa bingo. Ogwa obodo nwa bingo mga photo gino obodo. Just look at yourself. You did this for a very big guy. You did that. What can you do for me? What? Nothing.
This criminal here has been stolen from my company overseas. As a matter of fact, he's connived with my American secretary. They've been shipping my goods from my company overseas to Ghana. As a matter of fact, he has stolen over 500 million naira.
Whoa.
I've been aware of this for a while. I've been watching him closely. So I thought maybe there could be kind of change and stuff like that, but no. He kept on doing the same thing. Anyways, without boring too much talk, because I have a lot to say. I'll be stripping you of everything you have. Including your liquid assets, landed properties and everything. So, and I'll be transferring them to Izuna here. And of course, hand you over to the law to take his course.
Yes.
You're an ingrate and you deserve to be jailed.
Yes. I declare by the name of my father before me that everything you stole from my son now belongs to Izuna and his family.
Igwe!
The house, the land, the cars, the money recovered from you is now his. I hope this is clear.
Igwe!
Very clear.
Your Majesty, please. I don't want to reap where I did not sow. I cannot touch any of his properties, please. You can will it to the less privileged, maybe models, maybe so. Charity. I can't touch any of those things.
Izuna, what are you talking about? It was initially yours. You have to take it.
I'm not the one that traveled to America. It is not mine. Not what I can learn.
I've heard what you said. Alright? Officers, please take him.
Silence. One more thing, please, I need to give you. No matter what you see yourself. If you not in jail, you have nothing to do. That prince, he's still our blood, he's our own. He's your child, he's our blood. I don't want him to go to jail.
Izuna, what are you talking about?
Yes, you stripped him of everything he had. That's enough punishment. I don't want him to go to jail, please. Let him not go.
No, stand. Just sit down.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. I'll think about it. You are hereby dismissed. Just know that I'll think about it.
The reason he is for him to keep saying you every day so that he will laugh at you.
I know. Yes, of course, I know. I know he wants me to go back to my wind up in business so that he will use me to do his local and petty businesses. But no man work, Mama. I know I will show them that I came back to this village prepared.
No.
I am prepared to face anybody. Anybody.
I trust you. I know you will fight back. I trust you.
Mama, have we not done enough? Even the money we are even eating now was even stolen.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Idiot!
She is amongst them. Collect everything you
bought. Give me that phone. Give me that phone. I bought it with the stolen money. Idiot!
Mama.
I am paying your school fees with the stolen money.
If you didn't enough for that to outside, you would have been
moving. Give me your own.
Brother, I'm not among
Collect her own too.
Mama, no.
Give me your phone.
Mama, see the iPhone brother got for me. I'm not supporting them. You know that I'm not supporting them, Mama.
You're part of them.
Hey, Mama, no, I'm not supporting them.
If not for one thing, I will have skinned you alive. Bastard!
Collect that with them.
Idiot!
Mama, no, I'm not supporting her.
Stolen money! Come here! I said come here!
Well, you see this guy, Izuna, he's really a cool guy. Quite exceptional with his characteristics. He's got this level of honesty that's rare there, transparency, and selflessness that I really think there's need for us to kind of reward this guy with some kind of leadership position in the community, like kind of political stuff. I don't know what you think about it, but I really think this guy is really cool. What do you think about it?
Bam! My prince, Ijia, Okuga Amaka. Yes, Your Highness, I think the prince is right. Izuna has shown himself, proven himself to be very exceptional in this community. And I agree with the prince that he should be sponsored to a political position to represent us as a people. I mean, for the betterment of this community. The prince is right.
Dad, please think about it. This is something you really need to think about. He's really a good guy. I really want him to be rewarded for.
I have always known it. I have always known it. I've always known that money, Bible was busy, claiming, pretending, spending everywhere. I've always known that it's a stolen money.
But that guy is very wicked and mean. After all the sacrifices.
Open now, open my own.
Open
my own. Not be your place. Imagine, bro, that guy is very wicked than me. After all the sacrifices that the Sunna did for me.
In my own is, I have changed my phone from the American criminal money. See my phone. Hey. I made 100,000 naira. 100.
Ordinary 100,000. Me that collected almost 300,000 naira.
No. That one is a lie. It's a
I'm
lie.
very sure, bro. See, excuse me. Why will you say it's a lie? No. Give me one good reason why you say it's a lie. Okay, Val, let me shock you. Were you there on time? Were you there? And of course, you were not there on time when he was opening the house. Let me tell you something. When we came, those people that came on time, he came out and he was spraying money. Too much money. Like he was spraying money. My guy, the money was too much. I really miss something, my guy.
I miss you.
Alpha Chetana, what about your sister?
Oga, are you here to drink or you're here to gossip about my sister?
Oh, God. He only asks you a question, a harmless question. All you do is to answer him.
It is obvious that you in particular, you look very stubborn. I have told you before, if you are done drinking, Oga, leave this place when you are done.
Outbreak, no, they affect two people. It's only money. India cup, like India cup. That's it, come.
Papa, have you seen what she has caused? People are there mocking us. I warned her. I warned you. Look at what is happening now, Papa.
Chitana, will you shut up? I told you not to open that shop today, but you wouldn't listen. Now let me tell you, any insult people are throwing should bounce on you, and you alone live out of it.
Never, Papa. Papa, you're not even helping matters. When she was here, running up and down, betraying Izuna everywhere. Papa, did I not warn her? Did I not warn her, Papa? And you are telling me to stop my business, Papa? Papa, no. This family must succeed.
Your business. Then go and do your business and leave her alone. Go and do your business.
Papa, I cannot go like that, though. I cannot even go like that. Why am I even here? I want her to come there so that she will sit down, so that all this mockery and insult people are giving to me, so that they will transfer it to her. Papa, I'm tired.
Go and do your business.
Papa, let her come. Come and collect, even if it's too insult first, you understand?
Don't mind him.
Izuna, I don't know why you do the things you do. I have no idea. But today, I have learned to trust your judgment. Honestly. Thank you for being you.
Thanks.
Can I get help? Izuna, I have one more thing to tell you. So, I don't know how to say it, but I'm in love with you. Yes, I am. I'm in love with you. I've always been in love with you. I can't help it anymore. So I just have to. Tell you.
I've heard what you said. I will think about it.
It's okay. It doesn't matter if you have anything or not. Just think about it.
Wait, how much did you buy this egg?
200 naira.
Which 200 naira? Please go and bring my money back, Biko. I'm asking 200 naira. I bet I for go in a gat tufu. I don't want to eat 200 naira for this small egg.
Mama, why are you shouting?
Adam.
Okay. I've not been catching bushmeat lately, so I decided to change my hunting strategy. I want to start night hunting. So I'm starting today.
Night hunting, brother.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't buy a dress, I buy a job.
That is risky, brother. I don't want anything to happen to you.
The forest is mine, nothing will happen to me.
My son, I will no longer stop you from what you want to do. All I know that the God Almighty will protect you.
Amen.
God will guide you. God, in fact, God will bring big animal that you will kill.
Amen.
Go well.
Thank you, Mama.
Be careful.
Go and return that egg and bring back my money.
I should return this 5 eggs.
Return it!
This 5 eggs, Mama. I'm not returning my egg. I'm going to
return the 2 and bring back my
Mama,
money. Go and return that egg and bring back my
blessing in doing good. You will see favor, you will see no shame at all. You have a good heart, you have a love. Keep it up, there is always a blessing in doing good. Esimbo mmadụ kosi eme ya omume nwere atụmanya kilikene nwa esimbo mmadụ kosi eme ya omume nwere atụmanya.
Tell me, how do I look?
Oh, you look so pretty.
Thank you. I guess I'm good to go. Hand it over. Oh. Hey. Mom, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? My beautiful daughter.
Mom,
how was your night?
It was fine.
Hope you slept well.
Yes, I did.
Okay. What? Okay. I had a conversation with your dad last night.
Okay.
And I can't wait to break this beautiful news to you because I know you'll be very happy about it.
Mom, tell me, I'm all ears. What is it?
Maybe you should guess.
Guess. Mom, just tell me. I can't think of anything right now.
Okay. Your dad and I have decided to reward Izuna in a very special way, which I'm very sure you'll be happy. That's if he's going to accept. But we are going to convince him by all means to accept.
What is it now? We're just all smiling. Tell me.
Okay. Okay. Okay, your dad has decided to make you Izuna's wife. I'm screaming. She's so happy. Oh my goodness. So I guess you're happy now. No more tears, right?
Hello.
Hey, my prince. Good morning.
Yes, my prince.
Yeah, I know what's going on. Good morning, man.
Good morning, my prince.
How are you?
You're welcome to my home.
Oh, thank you very much, man. I'm actually here to say Izuna.
He's not yet back from the hunting.
But he will soon be back.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah, could you please help me drop a message? Just tell him that I'll be back around 12 o'clock, or perhaps I'm going to send my guy to come pick him up to the palace.
My prince, I hope all is well.
There's no worries, ma'am. There's no problem at all. Just want to have a hangout with a friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Okay. I will tell him, my prince. As soon as he comes back, he will come to the palace to come and see you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Okay, my
My
prince.
regards, okay.
My regards.
Mama,
I couldn't even hear anything. He was speaking like a white man.
Hey!
Mama, money is good.
Chai! Hey!
What's going on? Can you take the fuck out? What's going on, really? What's going on? What the fuck? What are you guys doing? What the fuck are you guys doing, nigga? Jesus, you devil.
Free me!
Okay, Chuku. Now!
Even if I free you, what can you do? What are you going to do?
You are such a wicked, heartless ingrate.
It's alright, I take it as a compliment. The reason you're here, huh? Let's make it snappy. Pick up your phone, call the bank manager that freezed my account to unfreeze it. Then call the police officers to return my international passport. And I will let you go. Be fast about it.
Okay, Chuku, you are being delusional. I will not do it. You can't do your part.
Are you stupid? How dare you talk to me in such manner? Okay, that's your place, you the buga. I know how can the buga for. Mamba!
I will do it. The moment I leave here, okay,
shut up!
You're gonna be a fucking dead man.
Dead man don't see and dead man don't count. Tell me not to overboard for the fishes to manipulate. I said. Stop wasting my time and dial the number.
Okay, Chuku. You're such an ingrate. Trust me, I will not dial any number. You can do yours. Such an ingrate.
The next will be on your head.
Don't waste time.
Guys, go outside there with other guys. Make sure you check everywhere. If you see any person, kill them like mosquito. Fast! Don't waste my time! Dial the number! Dial it! I hate you with passion! Everything in me, I hate you! I can't wait to strangle you! Don't play with my patience! Dial it! Darling! Dial the right number. This is not the right number. Dial the right one. Take your number. Dial it. Are you doing it or not? Now, fuck up, to do something, man. You know, Mark, you stupid. Do it!
Game over for you.
What are you doing here?
Ogechuku, I'm warning you. Surrender yourself.
What can you do? You know, from country. What can you do, weakling? Let me do this and have peace of mind. Alec! Look at you! Look at you! You shot your best friend!
I didn't make me your best friend. I don't have best friend. You are a betrayer, Ogechuku. You have caused enough damage. Your time is up.
I've just started and you can't stop me!
My prince, are you safe?
Yes.
So, where are you?
Somewhere around Akutanka something forest.
Kotanko Forest. Oh, okay, my team will be coming there like immediately.
Please.
Prince, are you okay?
Yes, thank you so much.
My king, they say they're at Kotanko Forest.
Kotanko?
Yes, and my boys will hit the ground immediately.
Hey.
1 minute, please. Sergeant Daladi, I want you to mobilize the boys. We need you at Kotanko Forest for an arrest. All right, thank you very much. They shall be on their way. Our men are almost there.
Thank you very much. Is there any assistance you want me to?
For now, we can't ascertain, sir.
Evil will never prevail.
My prince, are you okay? Okay, thank you. What about this one? Where's my friend? He saved me.
The criminals are dead.
put all my trust in you. I believe.
Never hear them on. I know your mother will be happy wherever she is in London. Let me quickly do what is needful. Emma na adaja chinwe maka na nne mụrụ ya n'elu. Ọnụnụ di na nwunye ga-agbawo ya mere na nke unu ya dị. Unu ya ọmụmụ nwoke na nwaanyị. Unu ya dị ndị ogologo na-arụ isi ike. Ọ gwa n'ife udude na-ekwu ka mmadụ na-anụ. Ife mmadụ na-ekwu ka udude na-anụ. Ya mere unu chọọ ọnụ ya achọta. Unu yọọ unu ya achọta. Ọ ya dịrị unu mma Eke. Orie. Afọ. Nkwọ. Right.
That you broke my heart. My heart is shattered. This is not the plan. What did I do? Please tell me, what is my crime? Any merenia, organica meregio.